Good morning. Good morning, everyone here out in YouTube land. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Bringing in the vibes. Octane to the moon, huh? Claro Diago. Ay, 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 ay. Good morning, fellow lifers. Tell someone new today about this epic stream. Share the link on your favorite social media platforms and help people you love gain financial freedom with you. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Thank you for being a part of the live stream. We can't do it alone. We need a team, we need a group, we need the energy, we need the vibes. So thank you guys for coming here every single day and bringing the vibes, bringing the good vibes, man. Bringing the good vibes. So appreciate that, guys. Much appreciate it. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me. And that is your time. That is your time. Right now we're battling with Crypto Banter as he is there. And yeah. But check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. As we get into the show, we're going to talk about what goes on, how the show moves. We go over Bitcoin dominance, total too. I then even look at the dollar index. I take a look at DeFi perp, which is all of the DeFi in a bag. I take a look at alt perp, which is all the altcoins in a bag. Kind of give you an idea of where we're going, where we're heading, what I see happening. Now, here's a trade I have right here, ORN. The first liquidity provider for Cardano, right? What is ORN? And I'm going to show you something. So right off the bat, you could watch the first 5 minutes trying to give you like what I think is going to be one of the hottest calls coming up. $386 million market cap. That is considered a mid cap, a beautiful mid cap gem. And that can go to unbelievable places. The rank is 173. So you can see this thing could go to amazing places. So I really like what I'm seeing here for Orion Protocol. First liquidity provider for Cardano. The future of trading is here. We're building the first gateway to the entire crypto market. It'll aggregate every SEX, DEX, and swap pool in one decentralized platform powered by ORN. Imagine that. Imagine if I could go to one place and see it all. I'm telling you right now, if I could have one portfolio with everything going on, and that's why we're going to give you Yield Watch. Are you guys using Yield Watch for your DeFi space, at least for Pancake Swap and other things like that? I bought myself about, I don't know, $260 Yield Watch tokens. If you do that, you can use Yield Watch Pro, and they can be part of using Yield Watch, which I think is really cool. I'll be doing a video about Yield Watch coming out. Later on today, there'll be a video about T-Cake. GRT analysis, please. Too much. Much love, everyone. X Space, check out this early and has 3 audits and sold out pre-sale. Damn, I wish I got into the pre-sale. I love when people are like, yo, check this out, sold out pre-sale. I'm like, oh, that's great. Could you have let us know about the pre-sale? I'm always like, damn. Thoughts on FOMOing into Pancake Swap? I think that's a great idea. Never FOMO into anything, but yeah, never FOMO into anything. Like that's my. But look, here on the daily, I said buy the bounce off the 50-day moving average if it happens or gets close, and we bounced right off the 50-day. I used the 21, the 50, the 80, the 100, and the 200-day moving average. Okay. You can see right there, we bounced right off the 50-day moving average. Very nice. Just as I said, it possibly could happen. And that was your entry, too, at 1729 for Orion Protocol. Okay. Put this call out just a couple days ago, and that was really your buy zone. We're still in the buy zone, technically. Pretty close to the bottom there at 1840, but there was a better entry. The daily has looked very nice right now. It's double bottomed here on the stochastics. We have a little bit of hidden bullish divergence as we have swing up to swing up here. Like so on those swing lows. We take those same swing lows and we clearly go to the downside there. So, shout out to Kevin. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Shout out to XRP Muser, my dude. Been here since the beginning, man. He'll hit you with that wrench if you talk funny. So we got a moderator up in the spot. Thank you so much. Kevin, I'm also going to make you a moderator. Just because you know me for so long. Kevin Tam, you just got a wrench, my friend, because I know if you see something funny going on, you won't let it happen. So I appreciate that. Shout out to Mix Josso. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Much appreciated. Kevin, write something. You'll see a cool little wrench next to your name. Welcome to the family, Kevin. Welcome to the family. So, Ocean TA. We'll get into Ocean 2 for sure. For sure. But Orion Protocol, want to put this on your radar, go. Want to put this on your radar. Yeah. And so this thing right here, I think can do some serious damage. Even if you want to take the 139% profits that I'm potentially looking at here. Now, I want to look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour to see suggestive. 1 hour is telling me that this is the best time to get into the trade. 4 hours also suggests, 4 hour does not suggest that. But it is coming back to the upside. Could go sideways for us for a little while. So, I would like the 1 hour to be more reset, but that doesn't mean it can't move. Looking for a double top up here on the 4 hour. So, to me, they kind of all of them look pretty good. All of them look pretty good. How's my name doing, Lifer? Ignalia. Nah, this bot is unbelievable. What bot? Hey, Lifer, you're making so many good calls every day, and you're making me wonder if I should swap your previous calls for the new ones. I'm holding CHZ, AVAX, Cocos, FTM, TVK. Any thoughts? I mean, I'm not getting rid of them, so you could do whatever you'd like. Ramon, you can get a wrench too, man. Tons of moderators up in here. Let's go all season for sure. Love you, bro. Love you, Kevin. Coinbase going public this week could be bullish for the market. I do. Follow me on Twitter. I'm here, ready to learn. I love that. His name is Dishnander. Follow me on Twitter. I like that. I'm here, ready to learn. Morning, bro. Any updated thoughts on ONT and Atom? Last chart shows a 4x. Hey, well then, thoughts on T-Cake? I'm still hard on T-Cake. No more free TA, guys. Sorry. So check it out. ORN, man. Yeah, send in those super chats, man. Let's get it going. I like this trade right here for ORN. All right, right off the bat. For instance, like I'm still in TVK holding it tight. I'm still in CHG holding it tight. I'm still in Cocos, right? So the guy who asked about that, I'm still in AVAX. Yeah, I wouldn't get rid of these coins are about to boom in the next 2 months. I say these are April and May holds. You want to be in some hot stuff for April and May, and it may not look hot at the moment, but you patiently wait your turn and you see what could happen. Now, Bitcoin really just loving the 57.1 to 58,000. Really just, that's like the tightest range Bitcoin's been in a long time. Funny, I made a funny call the other day. 57.1 and went to what? 56.7. Pretty damn close though. Please tell me ETH is going down. Guys, send Lifer a super chat for the deep dives. Hit that like button, guys and gals. Please tell me ETH is going down. Check out XRP, brother. Wow, you guys are coming hard with them tickers. A lot of tickers to go over, man, right off the bat. Let's check out Bitcoin real quick. Just so we can rest ease. I finally realized that I think this is the pattern. I tried to say no numerous times, but like they just kept. And I don't like to take out information. I like to keep the candles in, but to me, they're trying to hide the bottom from us by playing games with the pattern, in my opinion, because trying to say this could be the bottom here then. So come on down. Come on down, but you double bottom there. It's saying it doesn't want to come on down. It does a double bottom. All right, so double bottoms usually occur near the bottom of the pattern. We could make it, I guess, even more. We could make it something like this. Seems to be forming a higher trajectory. I would like it to come bounce off the 200 one last time on the 4 hour. That would just make me happy, make sense. 4 hours pointing to the upside, though. Right now, it tells me that Bitcoin is going to start making a move. I mean, to me, you just accumulate Bitcoin right in this pocket, and then you can ride it to the upside. If you want to make a nice trade on Bitcoin, I believe this is a beautiful entry now. We finally bounced off the 56, high 56. Seem to be evening on out right here at this moment. Needed to bring that just a little bit down. Sorry about that, guys. I'll bring it up for you guys on your end. There we go. Have you heard about light? Never heard about it. Never. There's also a possible inverse head and shoulder pattern that is forming. Digibyte is pumping. ARBTC is my winner for today. I love how you reply to all of my answers. You're the best, bro. Anytime, man. Anytime. Handsome PR128. Handsome PR128. Not sure what that is. Okay. ARPA is my winner for the day. Digibyte is pumping. Okay. All right. Okay, so check it out, everybody. I want to see what's going on here with, again, anyone who's tutoring, please, if you can hit the link to tutoring and then hit the PayPal. Just pay with PayPal. That would be amazing. I know people want to pay crypto. If you want to pay crypto, make the link and then DM me and say, hey, this is my time. I want to pay this. What's the address? Like, just make it real simple for me so I can come in, give you an address, and we can move on. If I had to spend 10 minutes making every single scheduling, it would eat up my day, and it was happening to me, to be dead honest. That was happening to me, and so I try to find a way to streamline it. Still having a little bit of backpedaling issues, but I think we're going to work it out. Also, it is my schedule on the tutoring session. It's my schedule that you'll see there. So make sure that you're scheduling your time connected to the time that you see there, because that is my time. What's your latest target on Cake? It seems to be really moving at the moment. Altcoin 34X. Any altcoins for April? What do you think about Harmony? Raul Jain. We've been giving you so many altcoins for the last few days. You want to hit the last few. Hit that like button too. It's also a possible inverse head and shoulders in the pattern that is forming. Vladicus Radicus, you got to say what you're talking about. If you just say we don't know. There's so many other comments. We can't see what you're referencing that. So it would be nice if you put the ticker. Hey, bro, good morning. Thanks again for all you do and sharing your knowledge. Bishwar Awad. 8Pay launching today. Take a look. Yeah, we liked 8Pay. I talked about 8Pay. I looked at it last night. It was on my radar. See if 8Pay comes up here. So here's one of my gems, guys. I believe this could do something serious. Not pay him. Let's see if we can find 8Pay real quick. Oh, 8Pay. Where are you, 8Pay? CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap has it. CoinMarketCap's been beating CoinGecko with really getting the listings up. Since Phoenix Rain was on the live, he is handsome. PR128. Hit the like. PR Phoenix Rain 128. He is handsome. 8Pay is not out yet. It will be out later on today, about 8 hours, something like that, 6 hours. ICO ongoing at the very moment, right? So let's go to the 8Pay network and see what's going on. I like what I saw here yesterday. I really did. Subscribe and pay. Fix reoccurring 30 days. Yeah. Every single reoccurring and on-demand payment at a push of the button. Multi-chain based with an initial focus on Binance Smart Chain. Try the demo. Mobile app coming soon. Features the 8Pay solution. 8Pay introduces effortless crypto payments, opening up a world of possibilities. 8Pay supercharges your cryptocurrency, transforming it into a payment solution for every occasion. Single payment subscriptions, on-demand payments. Wow. If I could have my whole world set up through crypto, just automated, unbelievable. Upcoming IDO on the Binance Smart Chat, scheduled April 5th. Join our group for more information. So how can I get onto the 8Pay pre-sale? Is it too late? One 8Pay sold out in less than 1 minute. Listing today at 4 p.m. on UTC, PancakeSwap, and Uniswap. I like how it's on PancakeSwap and Uniswap. 8Pay Moonsheet. 1x initial price, 7 cents. 5x. Damn, man. Pre-sale date. How do we miss this pre-sale, guys? So, to do a pre-sale on the IDOs, on Binance Pad, on BSC Pad, it'll launch at 4 p.m. UTC. So, 4 p.m. UTC is 5 hours. So, that's 11 a.m. for us. Tokens be claimed on the website shortly after the launch. Look to claim your tokens. And always go to the pinned messages. So, to connect your wallet, use your KYC verified address. Ooh, really? Approved. So you need a KYC for this? Altcoin round start Monday. Public sale starts Monday, April 1st at 1 p.m. UTC. April 5th. That would be now, though. PancakeSwap launch Monday, April 5th, 4 p.m. UTC. Okay. Public sale is on right now. The FCF. What's FCFS? I don't know what that is. Public sale vesting starting 25%. I still think this is worth getting in, honestly. I like this project. I'm going to allocate some funds into 8Pay, and I'm going to try to jump in at 11. I'm going to be a little late to the pre-sale. I'll see what's going on. Maybe I'll wait for the pre-sale dump. I'll watch it. Yeah, KYC for BSC pad, I believe. That's horrible. Pay the man, Quentin Davis, man. Yeah. Yeah, you get free tickers, man. Share their stream, y'all. Let's get 200 likes today. Boomtown. Thank you very much. Appreciate that, JD. Appreciate that. Want to see if we have some tickers coming into the live stream. Nope, not yet. 1 inch looks like it's finally about to do damage. Fairmoon doing well this AM as well. A lot of things doing really good. So this is good. Bitcoin going sideways and about to do things. Thank you so much, Quentin, for the $2 super chat. Much appreciated, man. Much appreciated. Yeah, honestly, if I survive off super chats at the moment, hopefully that won't be the case, but at the moment, it's kind of a tightrope walk for me. If I get enough super chats, I can continue to do this for a living. If I don't, I may have to find another job. I'm dead serious. Like, you guys could make or break me. So it's that big of a deal. You throw $1, $2, it could seriously help me stay afloat. And I'm going to bust my butt and be here every single day. And the only way I can do that and not have a job like a normal person is if you guys support me in so many ways. So I got 2 kids. I got a huge life. You know, so I'm being really honest, being dead honest at the moment. So, okay, look at this. BTSC. I see this going all the way up. There's my target for BTSC at $92,000. I'm calling that. I'm calling a 70,000, 90,000. We're on the way to 100K, guys. I believe 100K within 50 days. I know it sounds insane, but that's what I'm looking at. Look at the background work Lifer is showing y'all. Hope you make it, bro. Hey, man, thank you very much. Hey, good afternoon from the Leeds in the UK. Thank you. BZRX ripping. Hey, bro, what do you think about CKB? I like CKB. I think it's good. Isn't that the Nervos network? Nervos, yeah. Ocean update. Wow, your tickers are coming in so hot. It's hard to stay up. It's really hard to stay up with them, honestly. Lot of stuff coming in there. A lot of stuff. I'm gonna have to kind of pick and choose it. Super chats really make it easier, man, because there's so many calls that you guys are asking about, like 1,000 coins. So Bitcoin dominance, this is doing well. 4 hour looks good for us right now. Beautiful. 1 hour is a little spent, but tells me we're probably going to go sideways. And again, that daily in our favor still hasn't really begun to rip yet. I could see it starting to break out here, pushing up, and then we're going to cross that dotted line. And so I like Bitcoin here at 58.1. Let's look at a smaller price point. A cup of coffee for the man with the plan, bringing me the bands. I love that. I love that. Thank you so much for throwing a rap in there too. Much appreciated. Hey, be creative with the move. You know, be creative with the moves. So we look at the 15-minute time frame. Came down from the bottom, pushed back up. So that even suggests a little more sideways action. 30 minutes says we might actually come back down just a little more to about. There's a chance we touch this high 56 area. Bitcoin is doing some funny stuff, man. But to me, it's just going to stay in this pattern. Now, it could break down, right? If it breaks down out of this pattern, you can put a stop loss around here. To me, that's going to be it. If it breaks this trend line here, if it comes down and breaks this trend line, it's going to extend itself a little down to it, yet probably about this level. So I don't want to see that for Bitcoin. It did have that inverse head and shoulder. That usually creates a strong support line. You see? So I'd like us to see us hold this level and continue. I see Bitcoin going sideways and ripping to the upside. Today is Monday. I think by Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to see some fireworks for Bitcoin. A lot of big moves. STX up 99% today. Blockstacks doing some big things, right? AXS up 71%. Mithril up 80%. TCT up 25%. FIO up. Kin. Old Kin coin, man. Kin coming out there doing its thing, right? And I know I got some Kin, but like it's been hard to find where my Kin is. But I've been holding Kin for years. And you know what? Kin is really starting to make some big moves. If we look at what Kin's been doing for the last few days, coming out of this huge bull, I mean, Kin could go back to its all-time high. Look at that. Kin's like a very, very tiny coin, guys. Kin's very similar to playing, you know, hot coin, BTT. You might want to start looking at Kin. Such a small price point, you know. Like, I got like $1.9 million of these. Look, it's up 400% since March 17th. So, just kind of, not many people are talking about Kin. I've been holding Kin for a long time. It's with the Kick token. Remember they had to deal with the SEC? They went through a long litigation, like a 2-year litigation almost. And they figured it out. And it came out well. So, you know, BTC is flying now. We're already seeing them now. I'm still down here at 30K. Yo, you'll never get Bitcoin at 30K, Eric. It's ridiculous. This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. Rollo John, thank you so much for the 40. Not sure what that is. We'll figure it out. Thai money, I guess? I don't know. Is it a bot? Not sure, but thank you so much for the super chat. Really appreciated that. 1 hour range would be awesome between 57 to 60K. Yeah. Inverse head and shoulders in the 4 hour. Breaking out of the pennant. Golden cross on the 4 hour. Reese Arnold, thank you so much, man. We'll look at that. Much appreciated on Phantom. Yeah, I mean, Phantom's about to blow, man. Everything's about to blow. They're just trying to scare you, man. They're just trying to scare you guys. What did you say? DXY dropping hard. Let's take a look at DXY. That would be really awesome if it's dropping hard. Now I want to look at Bitcoin dominance. And I heard someone say one day that that doesn't matter. It's a waste of your time. But honestly, it really is not. Because if you could see a move that like Bitcoin dominance is going to kind of make a bit of a move for the, even for the afternoon, it could just save you from a better entry. Like if you watch Bitcoin dominance, you just make a better entry. That's all I'm saying. Like more information does not hurt your subconscious mind. Remember that. Unless it's bad information. But like more information pertaining to the situation you're in does not hurt your subconscious mind. So there you go, man. Look at my measured move falling out of this. We hit our level. I gave you your levels. Look, we bounced right off that level. I'm spot on with this stuff, man. Like there you go there. Spot on. Because I'm using everything we have to work with. I'm using support and resistance. I'm using all the oscillators. I'm using volume. I'm using the moving averages. And we're combining all this together to really show you the whole idea. Now, we are oversold extremely right here, but that's fine. Let us come back and bounce off this and get rejected at 59. The fact that we're below 60 bodes huge for a huge altcoin season. So I see all the signs that I saw before in the last bull run. This one's just a completely different bull run, heavily extended. And while we're there, we're going to pop over and look at some Cake. So Cake doing some serious damage today. And there was the cup and handle for Cake, and I suggested that you guys get in. I said, there's a cup and handle for Cake. We talked about it yesterday on the show. I talked about it last night. Went over it a bunch of times. I said, man, that's a cup and handle for Cake, respecting the trend line, and now it's gone. I mean, that to me, that's it. Next low for Cake, 17 is the bottom, right? Cake's on the way, man. Cake gives you so much passive income. And honestly, now Pancake just had a deal. Let me show you something. Pancake just had a pretty cool partnership with EasyFi. EasyFi is coming to Pancake, bro. That's going to be a big deal. So I want to show you EasyFi as well. Put that on your radar so you can see what's going down. Swipe, we like Swipe. Hey, Lifer, I got to ask you about the recent rise of TRX, EOS, and XRP. I mean, they're just moving. Went to spring break with the kids and missed the last few lives. Been jonesing for my Lifer streams. Let's hit those likes. Thank you so much, Chrissy. Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't seen you, Chrissy. Thank you so much. Since you left and came back, we started hitting 100 viewers, man. We started hitting 100 viewers. Guys, super chats, man, will get you deep dives. Look how many people asked about how many coins. Let me do the work for you. Let me do the work for you. Ocean TA. I like Ocean. But look, here's my Cake target. It's actually higher than this. Because this is more of an angle like that. Yeah. My Cake target's at 31, man. Cake on the way to 31. Calling it here. You're going to see a $31 Cake. When? Well, March 20th to March 20th. Let's see how long this consolidation went. I mean, 18th of February. Came to the cup and handle. We're now breaking out of the cup and handle. Yeah, I mean, it could take, I think, till May. I think by May, end of April. And it could come sooner, but you know what? There you go. That's going to be about a 100% gain for Cake, and then it's also going to pay you passive income. I know everyone wants 100x, 1000x, but not every coin you're going to be in is going to do that. Not every single one, but a few. All right, so look, we had some manipulation with CAG. Spiked all the way to 55. Wow, I didn't notice that yesterday. Came back down, but now it's consolidating pretty nicely, in my opinion. Just consolidating, guys. Like, see it? If you can put it in a bowl, have no fear, and just let the bowl play out. Just let the bowl play out, and continue to add That's what you got to do. Pawnage, thank you so much, Pawnage, man. Where is the 100x coins? I won't give you the 100x coins till I see you guys are really engaged, man. Right? And plus, we have a lot of tickers. People are asking about ticker after 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 ticker. All right, so thoughts on T-Cake. I still love T-Cake, and I like where T-Cake is. All right. T-Cake, very small market cap, guys. Very, very small market cap, right? Falling down, getting sold off today pretty hard, though. Wow, damn. Getting a sell-off, man. Hard sell-off for T-Cake for whatever reason. But when you get in early, I just let these things cook, right? Volume, 5.7 million. A lot less volume than I had the other day. Trust score. Oh, delayed. Okay, that's fine. I think the trust score is high. It's, you know, all-time high was 18, though, just 2 days ago. So this thing went high. But it started at 2 cents. It's already done a 9x, right? Give it some time. Give it some time to breathe.
Daddy, where did you put the Hershey Kiss?
Summer, not right now. You're not eating chocolate right now.
Please.
No, let me finish my show, please.
Where is it?
Don't do this during my show. I love you so much. I just said no. I'm not repeating myself. Thank you. What? I just said no, and you're gonna... Whatever, man. I can't do this in the mornings. These kids try to run you, man. They really do. 155% coming out of CHZ. I really do see that coming on up. So, people who just can't hold, can't wait. If you don't have the patience, I'm sorry, you can't get the gains, right? So it's just that. That's the facts of life. If you want to jump around, hump around, run around, you don't have the time to wait, right? And there we go, man. Bitcoin bouncing right there. Look, double bottom. And we did bounce off the 200-day right there. Almost had that death cross, but it'll probably revert. 21 crossing the other moving averages on the 1 hour. Very, very strong. But, you know, don't hold your breath. We could still be in the trajectory down to the bottom of the pattern here. So, where do you see VeChain after the rising above 10 cents? Great question. Thank you so much for bringing up VeChain. We're going to get to total too, guys. We didn't finish yet. Let's get into VeChain on the dollar here. And thank you so much for the super chat. Much respect, Hussein Ali. Honestly, you just gave away. When you give away, your hand is open. More will come back into your life. So you get more in your life when you give out a super chat. You really do. It's a fact. It's a fact of the world. The more you give away, the more you receive, right? Market cap just hit $2 trillion, baby. There we go, man. There we go. We'll take a look at that. Wow, VeChain doing some serious damage, though. Summer, I just said no. I'm not going to repeat myself. You don't tell your mother when I tell you can't do something. It doesn't work like that. She's going to be on my side. They try to divide and conquer you too, these kids. I'm telling you, man. They hit 6 years old, they get a mind of their own. They start trying to wheel and deal you. $2 trillion market cap, guys. It's a big deal. Everyone clap for the $2 trillion. $2 trillion market cap. VeChain ripping out of resistance. When we gave you this trade, we talked about it, had the pennant drawn. VeChain up to 12.7 cents. Going up another 30% gains from here. We got into VeChain under 2 cents at 1.8. I should have bought it at 9. I knew it was going to be hot under a penny, man. I knew it was going to be one of the hottest coins in the game, and we're just getting started with this move. I think we're going to see a hyper cycle that you guys have never believed. Forgot to include my message. Pawnage. Pawnage. He did put a super chat in, but you want to ask, $1 is inevitable for VeChain, in my opinion. 10x is easy. I do believe it will 20x to $2. I really do. I'm on the $2 VeChain train. I just see that. 20x from here seems highly probable. Highly probable. So 20x on VeChain, highly, highly probable. I can see that occurring. Now, total says we did not hit 2 trillion, or we did. Let's see. Let's see. So total says we hit 1.91, came back down. So this says we did not hit $2 trillion. So I don't know if this is, this could be a little bit of latent data. It could be aggregating not as well as it should be. But right now, so far, but we are bouncing off this line, man. There's a high chance. I want to see us break this line. We got to break 19.1. So this says we did not break it. Let's see, did Coin Market Cap say we broke 2 trillion? Also did not say we broke it. So I don't know who said we broke 2 trillion. I don't see it. I don't see it. Maybe some apps around the world have seen it, and maybe it's possible. We're damn near close enough, though. We broke through 1.8. I said 1.8 was very a big deal to all you guys, right? I said, look, if we break 1.8 trillion, we're going to come back down to $1.75 trillion. We had to hold that line. I said it was extremely important. So far, so good. Bit of an inverted head and shoulder deep inside of that pattern. You can't see it, but it's deep inside that pattern. I'm down here. Yeah. Yo, you're not gonna. Yo, you're my man, Eric. I know people like you in the last bull run, and what they did is they kept saying, "I'm gonna buy VeChain at 8 cents. I'm gonna buy Cardano at 80 cents." And you know what happened? It never happened, and they ended up on the sidelines. They ended up buying those coins for double the price they claimed they were gonna buy. That's why you got to ladder in, Eric. You need a tutoring session, Eric. You're fighting the tides, my friend. You're fighting the tides, and you may get left in the wayside. And I love you so much, and I don't mean to be rude. I just got to be honest, man. You're not gonna see an $80 ADA. You're just not. 80-cent ADA would put ADA back here at this low at 80 cents. Look, we're higher high, higher high, higher high. So we're going to make higher lows, excuse my language. We're going to make higher lows for the last month straight, almost 2 months now. Once we get to April 20th, it'll be 2 months of higher lows. And you think ADA is just going to give it up? Everyone that's in ADA, staking ADA, pooling ADA, they're just going to say, it's not going to make billions of dollars with the illicit, I need to get off the sideline. Put me in. You do, bro. You do. I believe you're going to miss out on a lot of big gains, man. Blessings, brother. Hope your newborn is doing great. Congrats to all the hot holders with max supply and circulation equals fire. It really does, man. It really does. Talk about holochain doing some amazing damage, man. What have we talked about so far? We talked about so much, guys. So much. But, yeah. So people asked about, JD, thank you so much for throwing that out there. There's a lot of tickers, man. Okay, so people talked about XRP. Let's take right at the beginning, someone's like, we need to look at XRP. And I think we do. I think it's important. 72 XRP. Unbelievable. I said XR2 or something. XRP, man. I'm losing it. Let's take a look at the daily. Bitcoin Cash is a 2-year-long cup and handle. I think the coin will totally explode and outperform the whole market, especially for the future. Average people currency. I agree. Bitcoin Cash, I don't like Roger Ver. I mean, I don't want to say I don't like him. Nice guy. I mean, he started his thing. I'm not a huge fan of his prissy attitude about certain things, but it's cool, right? So look, this is a clear breakout. We had a pennant for you. Again, another trade that we gave you. Like, sometimes I may not give the actual trade in my group, but we go over here on the charts. And you take a screenshot, you write it down, like I'm telling you what's about to go down, right? So there, XRP on the daily. Now, it's a bit overbought at the moment. Something I have to say. It is a bit overbought. So with that being said, XRP overbought. What does that mean? Where do we go? Well, it suggests to me that it may go sideways or to the, this may be a place where it just kind of cools out, but beautiful move for XRP. And now, we have a new bottom right here at this line. So look for a retest possibly of 66, and then I think that's going to be the bottom for XRP. And yeah, it's on the way, man. It's on the way. Let's take a look at that 4 hour. 4 hours is getting a little high. We can double top. What I mean by double top is it can do one of these. And I've seen that actually go up and actually hit that next line. So that can happen easily on the stochastics. And that 1 hour, it's pointing to the upside when I take this out the way. It is pointing to a bit of a double bottom on halfway through the trend, It's going to move slow, but it does have a huge market cap. Remember that, right? Remember that. I'm still holding my XRP. I did sell every penny for sand, got in, but I got back into XRP. I made sure. I don't have all my bags, though. I'll be honest. I have half the bags I used to have. I will be honest about that. Thoughts on Tencent? I like Tencent. You know why? Tencent started doing a pool very early on PancakeSwap. That's why a lot of these coins, before they come out big, they start a pool on PancakeSwap. So it's kind of like getting in on the IDO in a way. It's kind of like a pre-sale because you can mine the coin before it's really prevalent. Then it comes out and you already have some of the coins. It's pretty interesting, right? XRP is in a giant cup and handle too, like a huge one. Like that's a giant cup and handle. That's long consolidation. When you see that, it's only going to explode to the upside in a massive way. So it looks for XRP to go past this previous high. This is 148. We knew it was $3.31 previously. So it will make it back to the previous high. So one of the first 1000X gems that we're talking about here on the channel is SafeMoon, all right? I said I would give you a secret list of my 1000X gems, and I really like SafeMoon. I got into SafeMoon at 009 when it first came out. It's now at 121, right? So we're doing great things in SafeMoon. Yesterday I went to 198. Took a bit of a dump, but it's up 823% in 14 days. Unbelievable. So shout out to anyone that got into the call with me in SafeMoon. I believe it can still do 1000X from where it's at now. So another coin I really think is interesting is SafeMars. And I know it's a direct clone. Seems to have a good team, though, and doesn't seem to be a bit of a scam as well. This thing was at 7 just 2 days ago. Now it's sitting at 10. So to me, 7 to 10, that thing can do unbelievable things. Unbelievable things. So SafeMoon is another gem I'm giving you guys right here. I like SafeMoon a lot. Let's keep your tickers coming. I'm going to get into Octane as well. Someone just asked about Octane. So I like SafeMoon. I like Safe Mars as well. $39 million market cap. Come on, guys. And it's a deflationary token. The last 14 days, it's up 4,447%. This is how you 100x, 1,000x. You need to really get into the nitty gritty. You need to do a lot of work to 1,000x. It's not going to happen overnight. Safe Star. Let's take a look at Safe Star, which I don't know as much about. Let's go to Coin Market Cap for the Safe Star. Let's see what's going on with Safe Star. Thank you guys, everyone, for coming here and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. We have many links in the channel. You can go join my Crypto Lifer trading room in the description of the video here. And this is my trading room right here. Boom, Crypto Lifer. Join my Telegram. The Telegram's amazing. A lot of amazing people. 1,594 members. Shout out to all my lifers in the group. We have admins running the beginner room, helping beginners out. And this is if you join my VIP package. You join my Crypto Lifer VIP package, you get access to all these crypto rooms. You get this group for calls and charts only. You get my big statements for big news and reminders. Actually, both rooms, my $25 room and the $99 room, get you this package. But the $99 room gets you all my buys, gets you every single thing that I'm doing. So I update you far more if you get the $99 package. Like, you don't get the gems here in these rooms that I'm giving you guys. You don't get these tiny small cap. And you don't, I literally 1:40 in the morning, I'm saying I'm buying this for 1,400 USD. I'm getting in right now, you know. So I tell you exactly what I'm doing. We've been doing this. We did Xcur. We did that. Boomed and did some amazing things. We got 8x. We got a 4x on that in about 3 weeks. We did a 15x right now on SafeMoon when it hit a high yesterday. So unbelievable things are happening. So shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Love you guys. Absolutely love you guys. We couldn't do this without you guys. We could not. 149 people on the live, man. 140 people on the live. Unbelievable. Let's get the likes all the way to 100 likes. Come on. We get 100 likes when we have 100 people. Hit those likes, baby. Let's get those likes up. I just hit the like button. I had forgotten too. SafeMoon got listed on 2 exchanges today. That's huge. Can you check out Swirl? I was in the Safe Star chat, and I think the devs were saying they were split from the SafeMoon team. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. Lifer, do you think Dent can go to $1? I do. I do think it can. CTSI, Safe Est went up too. Safe Est. GRT's about to moon. SafeMoon is hyping on Twitter. SafeMoon, man. More consolidation, more of the boom. Exactly. Thoughts on AMP and the Flexa network? What about Bake? What do you feel about ADA USDT? Holochain, man, you guys are coming in hard. Send a super chat in so I can see it, so I can help you guys. There's just way too many things coming in to the chat. A super chat also gives you a deep dive where I'm going to go into the ticker, tell you if I would actually buy that coin at that moment. Let's take a look at Octane. Someone brought up Octane, never really heard of it. So I want to see, or Octane. Octane. See if we can see it here. OCTAN. Never heard of it. Can't get it on these either. Not sure what it is, man. Sorry, it's a little outside my radar at the very moment. Xbase, check it out. Early in the sold out in the pre-sale, has 3 audits. We couldn't find Xbase as well either. Sometimes you got to get this stuff on. A lot of the coins though, when I got a hot coin, it's not on either of these. You know what I'm saying? So you just got to Google it. X space crypto. Throw on pre-sale, throw some words in there, see what's going on. Invest in SpaceX, xspace.finance, rocket fueled. A lot of these .finance is just a clone of PancakeSwap, you know what I'm saying? Oh no, we were looking at this yesterday, man. I like how it has the pancake right there, all right off the bat. Clean site, number 1, clean site. I like this way. Certain things about the site I really like. Xbase, ready to moonshot. Audited and safe BSC code. Elongates new competitor to reach 1,000x. We are stronger. We are better. We are Xbase. Buy on PancakeSwap. Solidity Finance. Interesting. Interesting. So you can buy this on PancakeSwap, right? Break it down. We'll see what's going on here. You could buy this on PancakeSwap. So this is another 1000x gem on the low, right? So yeah. And you got to diversify your portfolio. I keep half my portfolio in Bitcoin. I keep a bunch of Ethereum. You know, it's like you get into some Uniswap stuff. You get into some pre-sales. You're continually moving around in the space as much as possible. Okay? As much as possible. XSpace. Where's your contract address, XSpace? We got to find you here. It's right here. It added it there. I wanted it to add it on the... Should be able to swap these. There's the button to just... Right? Just to go... Let me unlock the wallet. I think I may be buying XSpace right now. Already processing ETH request accounts. Please wait. Interesting. Let's see what's going on here. I think I had a pending transaction from last night that I may have left dwindling. Light in the dark. What's your strategy on exiting ERC20 token without giving up a ton of ETH? I feel like I'm going to be puking ETH to get out when I sell my bags. You know, I think by the time that comes, I think we're going to have things figured out a lot better. In my opinion. I really do. So, yeah. Yeah, I think that's my opinion. I think we're going to take care of these fees. You must buy Climb, boss. SafeStar, next SafeMoon, or a pump and dump. No, I think it's legit. Zilliqua looks interesting. Thinking of getting some. We love Zilliqua here. We've been in Zilliqua since 6 cents. Shout out to XRP Muser when we both went in on the same day. I've never sold it. Have you sold it, XRP Muser? I haven't sold my Zilliqua since that day, man. You must buy Climb. What is Climb? I think you guys showed me Climb the other day, right? Nope, can't find it. Guys, try to join my Telegram right now, immediately, and then post these links in the Telegram and said, yo, I sent the link. That way I can grab your link and we can keep the show moving. I want to keep people fully entertained at all times. That's what I'm hoping, but I have ETH set aside in my mind just in case. Hey, you know what it is, though? You make so much on these. Nope, still riding. Yeah, baby. Still riding that Zilly. Still riding that Zilliqua, man. Shout out to Martha's Vineyard, man. I'm getting ready. I'll be there in a few days, a couple weeks at the most. I got to get the engine on the boat and start getting things ready for the summer, guys. For the summer, baby. For the summer. Yeah, baby, yeah. I got into Ignalia the other day. It's new yield farming banger. Climb. Okay. On BS Smart Chain. Another way to find bangers, guys. BSCscan.com. Okay. So I give you SafeMoon. We give you SafeStar. Talked about XSpace. I believe I'm looking at XSpace really closely. Again, if you're getting into things like this, I want to reiterate. I put 1,000 at the very most into these, and that's my risk tolerance. I can lose $1,000 and be okay with it. If you're not okay with losing the entire position, it is what it is. I bought Sia Coin 7 years ago, man. Or no, not 7, but in 2016 or 17. Sia Coin was one of the first things I ever bought. I do have a boat. Yeah, I do. Yeah. I can actually show you the boat right now. I have a camera that kind of focuses on it. Let this load in a little while. I'll show you if the boat comes up on the screen. Little sailboat. Not huge, little sailboat. I've been sailing since I was a very, very young kid, man. Love sailing. Love being out in the water using no gasoline. Right? So, yeah, if you guys, I mean, we'll have lifer meetups, man. If you guys are around, we're going to have some serious lifer meetups, especially this summer, too, on the East Coast. Anyone around, we'll have some lifer meetups, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming in. Please get the likes to 100 likes, man. 100 likes on the live stream. Come on. We got 142 people watching, 83, 100 likes on the live stream. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. You think Bitcoin will hit 60K? Yeah, I smoke weed every day. You think that's good or bad? I mean, it depends, man. I'm not your mom, man. You know, DM me. We can talk. All right? Nice sailing. Yeah, we'll show you in a second. Look, the camera's moving. My boat's going to be somewhere here on the right. A really nice guy set up this camera so we could see the whole bay. And we'll see where my boat is right now. I have no idea. I check on it every few days just to make sure it's still there. Right? Just to make sure it's still there. That's the Massachusetts life, man. BTT, Win, Tron, don't sleep on these coins. No, Win's unbelievable. What state you in? We're in Massachusetts. Okay, so BSC scan, right? You can check all the different yield farms, new tokens, things are coming out here. Look, yield farm list. This is pretty cool. And it shows you things that are just coming out. You said climb. I don't see climb here. Anti-social finance, just peachy. Wow. Not as many new came out. Look, there's like a 7-day gap where not a lot of new things came out. Interesting, because there was new things coming out all the time. All the time. I don't see climb up here. Rasta Finance. That's pretty funny. I'm going to look at Rasta. I just want to see what Rasta Finance looks like. You know, Rasta Finance on the Binance Smart Farm Rasta. Pride and joy of the Binance Smart Chain. How it works. Connect directly to your wallet. Rasta. Okay, wait. The boat might be coming up in a second. Where is it? Should be on the right there in a second. People zoom in for their own occur, though, and then I can't see what I need. Anyway, community cameras, that's what happens, right? So XRP, man, doing things we knew it would do eventually. There's my boat right there. There she is. She's the only boat in the water. Look at that. All by herself, but there she was, man. Out there. Yeah. There she was. The only boat out there. Funny. Do you think Safe Moon will go up a lot more? I guess it's just in its prime. In its prime, it's just beginning. It's not even in its prime yet. It's just beginning, guys. It is just beginning. It is just beginning. Let's get the likes up to 100 likes. Come on, man. What am I not doing for you guys? Can I do more? Just tell me what I can do more to make sure those like tell me what you want me to do, and I will do it. Make sure it's done. Let's go back to that ticker list. It's starting to grow. Swirl, Bake, Hot, Ocean, One, Exnalia, GTO. Let's look at my favorite baby, GRT. You guys all know I'm a huge graph fan. I put my entire stymie into graph. All right? The whole thing. Right when I got it, I just said I'll put it right into graph, and I'll ride it up. So, look at this. Let me get rid of all my old work on the graph. Loves to hold on to that work. I don't know why it does that. So Graph started at 30 cents. I bought it at 30 cents. I thought it was an interesting coin. So I got in on when it was on Coinbase. I said, I'll buy it. The day I got on Coinbase, I said, oh, this is interesting. Maybe a couple days, maybe after the pump, whatever it was. I got it at 30 cents. Rode all the way up to $1 literally in a few days. And I was like, wow, this is insane. I sold it, and then it went to $3, man, like literally in a couple days. And I was like, man, how did I just miss this? So I had to limp back in anytime it went down. So anytime it was below 180, 160, and when it went all the way to that low there, 132, that was a steal, man. That was a steal. It's funny, and there's a shoulder, head, shoulder, making the inverted head and shoulders on graph as well. I think someone else brought that up on the 4-hour. So we take a look. Look, shoulder, head, shoulder broke out. There it is right there, and that broke to the upside as well, right? Shout out to everyone here. What is your strategy with giving up ETH? Yeah, I think you make so much, man. Give money, get money. Shout out to Tenacious Tim, man. Thank you so much for the $10 super chat. Much respect, man. Much respect. I'll see you later on today, Timmy. Can't wait to get it in. Moving averages. See, I remember exactly what you wanted to go over to, man. I could be on lack of sleep, not even know what's going on. I still remember exactly what someone said one time on a live stream like a while back. But on point for the premises. Okay, here we go, man. GRT going all the way up here to $4.32 and continuing up. It's a decentralized acyclic graph. It's like a Google. Like you can search information. Hey, man, how are you? What do you think on Chills? Will it pump this month regarding new tokens and new teams? Yes, it will. I believe it will. Again, this is not financial advice, and everything I didn't say is guaranteed, but I have faith in CHZ, and I have a lot of it. So, yeah. How far can Graph go long term? Are you doing the Easter battle on PancakeSwap? What team are you in? I am. You know, you really have to ask what team I'm in. You really have to ask? No, I'm making a joke right now, so I'm not trying to alienate you. I'm just making a joke. But you really have to ask what team I'm on. What team do you think I'm on? That would be the question, right? What team do you think I'm on? There was 3 teams, right? Look, I want a collectible. You want a collectible? Claim now. That's pretty cool. Claim this NFT, Cakeston Easter. Woo! You'll receive 1x Cakeston Easter. Word, dude. I won myself a collectible. Where did you see BNB and quick thoughts on Xcur? Ooh, Charlie, thank you so much, man. Look at Tenacious Tim. He threw me 10 and didn't even ask me to do something for him. Amazing, man. That's the lifer way, bro. That's the lifer way. That's the lifer way. Transfer in the wallet. What is transfer? Transfer where? Receiving address. Oh, if I wanted to send it. It's in the wallet now. Where is it? It's in my wallet. Crypto Lifer. There he is right there. My collectible. You are a special ERC20 FTs that can be used on PancakeSwap platform. NFTs in this user's wallet that aren't approved collectibles won't be shown here. Can you look at Gala? No need to dive too deep. Just a quick in and out. I'll take a look at Gala for sure, man. Go BTT, go, man. There you go. Shout out, bro. Thank you, man. Much respect, man. Much respect, yo. Every one of you guys. So, Task Center, achievements, earn points, edit your profile, Easter battle. I'm not sure what we even do in the battle. I'm going to have to figure it out. Teams and profiles. I'll show you my profile, and I'll show you what team I'm on. Public profile. Points, achievements. Well, I'm in the crazy cakers, man. Whatever, the chaotic cakers. I had to be. Like, I had to be in the name of the team with the cake. Right? So, I want to battle. I do want to battle. I understand that my address may be displayed publicly through my competition. All right. All right. I'm okay with this. Let's battle. Let's battle. Let's do this. Let's battle, man. You can't stop me. I'm just... your thoughts on Dogecoin? You know, I didn't get into Doge. I knew about it at the very beginning and didn't get in. Whenever that happens, I just kind of like, you know, it is what it is, man, you know. Starting soon. Okay. How can I join? Set up your Pancake profile. Take BNB, BUSD, Cake BNB, and BUSD during the battle period to raise both your team's score. See the rules section below for more. Prize claim. Teams and traders will be ranked in order of trading volume. Collect your prizes. Okay. Just trying to get you to trade, though. I don't trade compulsively. I trade when I feel the need, but, you know. I joined a team. It doesn't say what team, but I did join the Crazy Cakers. Anyway, thank you for that awesome question. Let's get into the super chats. A quick Gala in and out. What is Gala? Can you look BNB and quick thoughts on Xcur? Let's take a look at BNB, but I like GRT going all the way up here to $4.29. The buys at the bottom of these patterns. I teach all my students how to perfect their buys at the bottom of the pattern. If not there, at least a little after a candle close and to continue to move to the upside. So, you know, and we do the same things over and over again. We really, really push you guys to do your due diligence, to study your divergences, to study your moving averages, right? To really put in that work. We're going to take a look at the markets here. Just want to see what's flying. I want to see what's hot. Thank you so much for that. Super chat, AJ5. Really, really appreciate the super chat. You're the man, dude. You're the man. So let's look at the fiat markets. 90% for Mithra, booming. Mithra really is the winner of the day, up 100% on the exchange. X, don't go down. STX doing its thing, 94%. NKN, one of my favorite coins on the load. People don't talk about a lot. SXP up. SXP GTO. Gifto. BTT up 43% and starting to move. XRP Pearl. WRX. CTSI. Man, Cartesia. We gave you Cartesia at 27. Talked about that on my channel. Showed you how it was in the cup and handle was going to explode. Sia coin. Up in the game. So, a lot of moves here. FIO. BZRX started to make a big move today. VThor. I like VThor. VChain. You know, it's like VChain's gas. If VChain booms, you know, VThor is going to boom. Let's take a look at BNB real fast. BNB, man, one of my, you just got to hold BNB during the bull run. It's just something you have to do. It's like having bait when you go out fishing. Like, you just got to have some BNB, man. Like you can't go fishing without some bait. Like, you can't be in crypto without some BNB. So let's take a look at the BNB on tether pair on Binance. Oh, it's even on Binance US. You remember that too. So you can trade BNB anywhere you want, man. Anyway, it's making it hard for me to find the Binance pair. There you go. Okay, so wow, BNB 373. Are you kidding me? The gift that keeps on giving for BNB. And look, I see it continuing to the upside as well. Here's my target for BNB all the way at $481. Why BNB ripping? Because it's a use case. You can't get cake without it, right? They created a beautiful ecosystem with way less fees than Binance. And you know, they have real. I mean, they have like Beefy is the real deal. Then they have the play crazy little farms that are just like absurd, right? Like the Hyrule and all the other stuff that I've been showing you guys, and they're high risk and they're crazy. But you know what? They can make you some residual income, and you can hold on to the LP tokens and continue to grind out. So, regardless, it works for you. It works for you, and it's a good idea in my opinion. So, yeah. So there's your BNB target, 492. Basically, run it up to 500. I mean, we got into BNB at $30, man. $30, right? Ended up buying as many as I could of these things. So, yeah. $30 BNB, 372. Wow, BNB doing damage. It's funny, every time I spend BNB, I'm like, damn, I kind of don't want to spend it because I'm like, it just keeps going up. But then you need to spend it to get other coins. And I'm always in between whether I want more BNB or more coins. And it's tough, man. It's tough. It's extremely tough. Okay, some more underground tickers now. We're going to see what just came out today. All right, I want to give you guys what I promised you, which was some 1,000 coin alt lists, right? Some 1,000 X alts. FRO, I can't chart today, but this pumped on me Sunday. Thank you very much, Jesse B. We'll take a look at FIRO for you. Kin, NFT, AKT, Gala, NBX. What's the stop loss for ORN? We'll go back to that, but you could take a screenshot, and I also posted it in my group. If you want to join the $25 Patreon, you can get into the group and get all the charts and calls only. Like, honestly, I'm going to give you a flash real quick. I'm going to give you a flash. You guys can get just a peek. But, I mean, come on now. Like, this is what's going down in here. I mean, these are all expert traders in my group. There's 5, 6, 7 of us. And more get added as we continue to move on up. Berry Data probably going to do some big things, forming out of this large cup. We see Berry Data going up 400%, back to its high at $40 and continuing to the upside. So Berry Data probably going to do a 5x from where it's at. EOS, beautiful chart here forming the bowl. He's giving you top trend lines. It's breaking the trend line. SNR flip area, potential target areas, and he's giving you the target as well. I gave you Sol BTC. I talked about this. I like Sol BTC. We're going to look at that. Cup and handle forming a flag, about to break to the upside. Talked about Stellar Lumens breaking to the upside, right? Talked about Ocean, giving you a buy zone right there at 146. We'll look at Ocean. And the list goes on. BTC Perp, inverted head and shoulder, breaking to the upside. Good chance that Bitcoin breaks up to $69,000. So free calls. Now, not free. You have to join the Patreon. They used to be free. But the group got very big, and we closed it off. Shout out to anyone who started at the very beginning with me at the very, very beginning. Liquidity USDT, interest-bearing DeFi Pulse. Interest-bearing DeFi Pulse. Quite interesting to me right off the bat. WorkQuest, Rope Token, ManySwap, Node Seeds. What the hell is Node Seeds, right? What is Milk Alliance? What is the OneGet token? Trustworks, Alchemist. I've been seeing this around a lot. Alchemist, this is an interesting coin. $100, right? They've got a GitHub website. That's all you can check it out. I mean, this thing is that's a pretty low brow, honestly. Makes me want to kind of. It's MIST for ETH, the Alchemist on their GitHub. Only purpose to find the Philosopher's Stone and use it to explore the galaxy. Can a meme coin help us achieve immortality? Only way to find out. Alchemist.eth. I don't suggest getting into this thing. This thing looks a little sketchy, to be honest. Can't get any information on it. Don't even see the ranking. Don't know much about it. 700 people like it, though, and you can get it on Uniswap. I'm just looking at it. And so I do these deep dives on these early morning coins, man. Things that are just coming out, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you guys for being here. Ooh, don't do that to me. Okay, cool. All right, let's get back into Gala. Someone threw a super chat for Gala, and we want to finish XCUR. I also want to do a little look at XCUR because I need to take a look at what's going on with that. I've been holding it since about $2. Low market cap. Let me show you the market cap for it too. Has a beautiful market cap. I'll show you why I like it. Oh, look at that. CoinGecko's getting overrun, man. That's what happens when CoinGecko gets used by everyone in the world. And it slows down the stream, man. Look at that. XCUR, man. Come on. We'll have to go over to CoinMarketCap that can handle the bandwidth there. Usually we get in after 1 or 2 times, but damn. Slowing down. Let's move to XCore right here. We keep it moving. We don't wait, guys. We don't wait. Curate. I'll show you what I really like about Curate. 575. We got in at 2. Okay. A little bit below the 3x level where we're at. It did all the way go to an 8x at one point. But what I'm showing you is all-in-one market app Trade XUR. So they said the app was going to come out in March. It looks like it did. They fulfilled their first goal, right? If they didn't fulfill the app and they didn't come out, I'd be a little worried about it. They did that. They did come out with the app. I love what we're seeing here. Beautiful website. Partners with KuCoin, Gate.io, Bitcoin, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Shopping. Ooh, Shopping.io is a partner. That's pretty interesting, man. XUR. Now, one of the first things when I see it does beauty, travel, integration, right? Growth and acquisition, all-in-one app, public launch in August. And then the world's #1 gasless NFT marketplace, development started. Top 10 exchange listing in April, and Travala Xcur integration in May. Integration with Travala, that's a big deal. I think this thing is huge. It's got NFT in it. It's got shopping in it. It's, so much things to say about this. I think I want to continue to add to my bags. I think this is something you definitely want to accumulate. $31 million market cap. This thing is insane. What a low cap gem on your radar right now. And we got in at $2, and this thing is really just paying us to hold it. I really think you want to put this on your radar, man. Unbelievable. Can you look at Gala? No need to deep dive. Let's take a look at Gala. What is Gala doing? What is the deal with Gala? Gala. Now, Gala, when I think of Gala, that's like we used to call the Earth is Gala. That's an old name for the Earth, right? Gala. And I'll show you that. Look, I believe that's what they called the Earth way back in the day. It's Gala, or it's Earth Hughes Gala. A new look at life on Earth. Gala. Yeah, Earth Gala, woman sandal. The word Gala comes from galaxy too, if you think about it. A social occasion was, a gala. I see they're saying a gala, but I'm trying to tell you, Gala was like a first name of the Earth. Anyway, Gala. Now it's a gala. I get it. Okay. Now it had a big run up. Wish we knew about it back here, right? At 0.008 cents or 8.10 or 0.007. So this thing was tiny. Wow, made it all the way to 3 cents. So this thing just did some serious damage. Okay. Now it's forming a bit of a flag here. Up, down, up, down. Probably continuing that flag, but I would just wait for it to kind of come back down to this point. So SR flipping. So you can see right here we had a candle close, or a candle wick. Then we had a candle close right there. Another candle close right there. So up, down, up, down. Seems like we're bouncing off this low area here and continuing to the upside. So let's see what we got going on. And there we have it, guys. There we have it. 146% gain. So looks like it come back down and hit this level here at 0.02. But damn, I wish I got this thing on the low. Let's try to find out what it was. Tevin, man. You holding out on us, Tevin, man? Damn, man. Look at this thing. Just on January 31st, it starts to move. Wow, on a bit of a tear. I like the consolidation it's in right now. I really do. It's in a good consolidation area where it's at right now. Forming a bit of a pennant, forming a bit of a flag after a big pump up, bounced off of a previous support. Higher low there. Interesting. So, Gala Games. Funny, I did look at this website. I know we looked at this. Owned by the players. The Gala Games mission. The mission of Gala Games can be encapsulated in the world of our CEO, Eric Schiermeier. Our mission is to enable freedom for anyone on this planet through play. Gala Games believes that play is a critical part of humanity, and it's our mission to use play to enable people to live freely. Interesting. Blockchain gaming. Townstar, for one of the favorite founders of Zynga. Some of the creative minds behind Farmville and the world's and Words with Friends. Townstar, a game for Gala blockchain, is a next evolution of gaming that has 148 billion industry buzzing with excitement. It's game reimagined to benefit creators and players alike. Gala smart contract. Bitrue, Uniswap, Polonient, Dex. Get a Gala node. buy a node. The Gala node is supported by users just like you who operate Gala nodes from their home computers. By buying a license to operate a Gala node, you open up opportunities to receive rewards for your contributions to the network. This can include Gala, limited edition NFTs, and opportunities to help the Gala Games ecosystem. How much is it to buy a node? $1,000, $2,000? Create an account and grab a node. Sign up today. Own your own gameplay. Join our community on Discord. Receive rewards like Gala, limited. This is interesting. Simple Forge. Townstar hot items. Miranda's hot items. I don't know how big I'm going to get into the gaming because I have to do all the other things that I do, but interesting enough. Thank you so much for the super chat, Tev, and thank you for coming on in. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for coming on in. We just hit a all-time high in watchers at 155, most we've ever had on the show. 100 likes on the live. You guys, man, we're gaining momentum every single day. Every single day. I like XLM. Let's take a look at Stellar Lumens. That's not the one I want to look at. XLM on Binance, show me the yellows. Show me where the money's at. Again, I'm really pushing you guys to get into the BTC pairs. I go over the USDT pairs so you guys can understand what's going on. See the pricing and all that. To me, it helps me as well. But yeah. Check out Tencent. Oh yeah, you win. Oh, okay, thank you. Sorry, I gotta go over Tencent. Sorry about that for the reminder. Appreciate that. So check it out. We have this half a cup. Then we have this long handle, right? Should I pull out of game credits? Noticed it had a pullback. I don't pull out of things when they have a pullback. I buy more. Pulling at, I mean, unless you're up. Are you up? Or are you selling at a loss? You know what I'm saying? Your YouTube channel deserves 1,000x. Thank you guys so much, man. We're on our way to 200 subs. Like, can we get to 200 watches right now? I believe we can. Thank you so much for the super chat. My old daily. Much appreciated, man. Much appreciated. Now, the cool thing about this channel is we got the voice. We got the personality. We got the charisma. We got the energy. We got the family. We got the vibe. And we got the knowledge. And we do more things than other live streams. No other live stream goes over yield farming the way we do. No one goes over cake, talks about things. I want to give you EasyFi right now. I want to talk about why EasyFi is making a move. And look, this is going to follow XRP. You know, when XRP moves, XLM moves. XLM sitting at 47 cents. It's about to do some serious damage. About 100% gains out of XLM. So, I believe XLM is about to do something pretty cool. All right? Yeah, I don't like to pull out of things when they're down, man. I like to buy things on the low when no one's talking about them. I like to hold them for a month, 2 months at a time, and then I like to unload them when they're up huge. Lifer, what's your local time right now? I want to book a tutoring. My local time right now is 11:16 a.m. Guys, it's very simple, though. You don't even have to ask that question. Right here, look. I see what you're saying. You're trying to figure out what it is, but yeah, so it's 11:16 a.m. right here. If you want to book a tutoring call, you click the link here to my tutoring. It gives you my entire schedule. But remember, this is my schedule. United States, Eastern time. Eastern time. Eastern time. You see what I'm saying? So, like, look, you go to April, say today you wanted to book a session. You click on it. I have one open at 4, 4:30, 5, 5:30, 6, 6:30. This is my time, though. This is my time. And then you click on it, and you can just pay with PayPal. Super easily. Connect as a guest. Put your email in. Sign in with your Gmail if you want. And boom. It'll send me an email. I know exactly who you are. It'll tell me if you paid, and then we can move on, man. I love it. Yeah, and that really helps me out because I'm super busy. So much appreciated. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. 166 watching. I think YouTube is really helping us out now. They're throwing us into that window. We're getting that window. We're getting that live stream window box, man. We're getting that love. Safe Moon doing damage, man. Okay, now someone else is asking about DigiByte. We're also going to look at BTT. We want to see what's going on all these crazy coins. We'll try to keep up the energy for you guys. Try to go through more tickers than any other channel. I watch other channels. No offense. I watch Tom Crown's live stream. I watch Mix Ray. They're the bigger guys, right? They're going through one ticker here and there. They're telling you they want their bread buttered before they do a damn thing for you guys. That's not the case here. And I'm not even hating. I'm not hating on them. I'm stating the facts. These are facts. I go over more tickers. I put more energy in. I got the moves, man. And I'm going hard for you guys every 5 seconds, man. It does not stop. So BTT, the 1 hour is oversold, about to break to the upside. I like what we're seeing here for BTT. I look at that daily. It is kind of just crossing, but that doesn't mean it's over. I don't like to get in here, though. I like to get in down here and wait. I'm chasing big candles on BTT on that daily. 4 hour wants to come back down to the downside, though. This is a hot coin right now. Worth moving, and it's just starting to get a big pump. We gave you BTT way back here in this cup and handle, though. Had you got in on my call on BTT back then when I was talking about it, you'd be up damn near 400% now. About 309% gains out of BTT. Would I buy into BTT right now? My top pick, Seller and Hollow, got in at 008. Shout out to Tommy Taylor for his top picks, man. Thank you so much. AKT staking on Cosmo Station is one of the best kept secrets in crypto. Okay. AKT on the Cosmo Station. Okay. Share the stream on all your favorite social media platforms. The best thing you can do for life or for free. Share this live stream, man. Get it going. Share it to Twitter. Share it to your Facebook page. Tell people you're making money. Share people you love it. Let's connect for a bit. 159 people watching. Why is Tron pumping like madman? Because eventually it's going to pump. It's a small coin. It pumped on the last one. Tron is an oldie but goodie. You have to remember, when we start to have big moves, the old coins start to pump again. It's kind of like, oh, yay, it's time to get back in the fold, right? Yeah, 13 cents for Tron. Tron should be a 27-cent coin, man. It was sleeping for so long. Tron was one of my favorite projects back in the day. It really was. So there you go. Shout out to anyone who got into Tron, man. We talked about the call right here. And I said, you get in at the bottom of the pattern. I like to talk about the 4-hour, where the 200-day moving average interacts with the pattern. I bring this up all the time. This is a catalyst for a big move to the upside. You could also see what happened. The moving averages got tight. When the moving averages got tight, they boom up and break to the upside. So only a matter of time, this thing was going to do some serious damage. Hey, can you please check up Gourmet Galaxy Gum? I do like Gum, man. When Gum came out, it looked interesting to me. Tel looks ready to go again. Telcoin. I agree with that. Haven't looked at it yet, but I believe, because it had a pump and now it's kind of on the mend, and yeah, it's about time. It's about time. Okay, I'm going to try to see if my man wrote down some tickers. I'm going to try to keep up with your tickers, guys. If you want me to do a deep dive or tell you if I would actually get into the project, please send in a super chat. Okay, let's look at Gola AIOZ Climb, the first project that allowed to trade ETFs. Climb, man. Let's take a look at Climb Crypto. All you need to know about Climb token presale, benincrypto.com 3 days ago. Okay, so a mutual fund-like returns by just participating in a token presale. That's exactly what the folks behind Climb Token Finance are promising. They call it the industry's first ever exchange tradable token fund, an ETTF, and it's being hailed by some as early stages of a promising project. In this quick review, we'll have a closer look at the Climb token presale and the buzz surrounding it. While at it, we also try to figure out whether the project in its current form has the potential to make it big. Let's start with a quick overview on the platform. Climb Token Finance, an overview. Climb Token Finance is a decentralized exchange running on the Binance Smart Chain and PancakeSwap exchange hard fork. It's a fully automated market maker promising users a whole range of ways to generate income from their crypto stashes. The platform touts itself as a product of the fast-paced DeFi evolution that gives an opportunity to build on deflationary yield farms and generate sizable returns. Climb Token Finance has two homegrown tokens, the Climb token and the Mountain token. Both these assets are inherently deflationary, meaning that their supplies are limited and the excess tokens can be removed from the market over time via different methods, including token burns and buybacks. However, for the purpose of this article, we'll start by mainly focusing on Climb, the presale, and the opportunities surrounding it. Climb token is a BEP20 token with a total maximum supply of 620,000. That's a very small supply. It is unminable and has been fully distributed. Pretty good, man. Fully audited and secure. Wow. Climb token presale. So you can see the Climb could provide... Ooh. Where is the presale? What's going on with this? I like this. I'm interested. They have me already in there. Sign up with an email, already a member. So it's hard to get these things. These are all KYC, I believe. You know? Interesting. So there's no... Right now you can't get it. Gotta get it on the... Damn. If anyone else knows, it looks like we have to get in on the presale right now at the very moment. All you need to know about the Climb token presale. Store them in. So... Hold your Climb to stash. Due to its limited supply and heavy deflation, Climb could see a hefty growth if the team overseeing can continue to nudging the platform in the right financial direction. Yeah, man, I really like this, man. Fully audited smart contracts to ensure optimal security. Climb token website. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This thing is sick. Unbelievable, guys, what we're looking at right here. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 168 people on the live, man. We've never done that. Guys, we're budding, man. We're doing our thing, man. Shout out to YouTube for running that algorithm for me, finally giving me a break. Love you, YouTube. I love you for once. For once. The pre-sale ended yesterday. What if Wazir X 9X in 7 days? Wow, man. Bitcoin, Zilliqua, Cardano, Hex, DigiBuy, UBT, CU, please. Can you buy on Pancake or Climb Finance? Realistic price prediction for SafeMoon if it hits Binance. Who knows, man? That thing's like quadrillions of a penny, man. I just think the X, I gotta look at the X. I think it could do 1,000X. Climb is 1 day on the market. Let's launch the app. Let's see what's going on with this. Let's connect my wallet. I want in on this, man. I think it's very smart to buy this. Total value lock 5.2 million. Mountain to harvest. Buy Climb and get your rewards. Like a mutual fund through exclusive. Wow. All right. Let's go get some Climb. Let's stop playing games. Right? Let's stop playing games. I got $1,200 that I put aside. I was waiting to buy BTT. Interesting, man. I keep unloading, though. I keep unloading all my BNB on this stuff. Select the currency. Climb, man. Climb's not up in here? There you go. I like this, guys, right now. I really do. $38 a coin just came out. Even if it tanks down to $10 and I hold this thing, I like the staking. I like the website. I gotta say, man, it's got me a little bit. Remember to hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button. Get us up to 150 likes, man. Come on, man. We can do it. 150 likes on the live stream. Thank you guys so much for being here every single day, man. We are making a beautiful family, a beautiful community of crypto lifers. I really appreciate it. We offer crypto tutoring one-on-one. I will one-on-one mentor you with everything I have and give you everything I do have, man, to get you to the top. I won't guarantee anything, but that I will give you 100%, and I will give you the tools you have to become the best you can be. I'm still holding win. Thank you again. Come to my Mikos vote this summer. Please, can I come, bro? I would love to come to Greece, bro. 9,000 per node now. Damn, man. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. I got to move some funds around, but I'm going to be buying this later on today. I'm writing this down. I like Climb right now. I like Climb. I mean, the first ETTF, I mean, come on, man. 9,000 per Gala node. Dan, a Gala node is $9,000. Wow. Stranger things have happened to SafeMoon going to bust everything. I do believe that, man. Hey, can you take a look at Auction Token? Very low max supply, and it's rebranded from Bot Token. And the Bot Token was 7K. Oh, yeah. Remember Bot? I do remember that. I do remember that. Thank you for putting that on my radar. I like that. You know, I'm going to limp in for 0.5 right now. I'm going to get more. I'm going to limp in for 0.5. Just right now, so you can guys see that I really do like the project. We're going to confirm on that swap. We're going to confirm on that swap. And we just bought some Climb, man. Thank you so much for putting Climb on my radar. I liked what I saw. I liked where it was going. Hey, man. Climb, dude. Climb. Okay? Always go to the Telegram. Check out the Telegram. 10,000 members on the Telegram. Like to see that. Like to see that. Maybe making a video about Climb now. So I got a video to make about Climb. A video to make about MTRG. Yo, we found out about MTRG last night, guys. We went on a deep dive on MTRG last night. Unbelievable. Let's take a look at what I show you on MTRG. We had 160 people. They just left. 10 people just left. They just missed out on something insane. Meter governance. Meter governance is something serious. All right. Why is it something serious? Well, because I'm going to explain why. Yeah, please join the Patreon. Dear Lifers, join the Patreon and get access to Crypto Lifers Telegram group with exclusive calls and much more. Join the family. Yes, please join the family. Come onto the Patreon and you'll get access to all my rooms on Telegram, guys. Had to get a part of the 99 Telegram. How to get a part of the 99 Telegram. Can you look at DSLA and SRK in my hidden gems? We love SRK and we love DSLA. You guys put it on our radar way back when. This is Meter Governance. I like this coin a lot. $18 million market cap, ranked 828. Meter really positions your money based off electricity. Electricity becomes the form of value. They say electricity has always held its value compared throughout the earth. Like a watt will always go, as the world changes, a kilowatt will always be worth a competitive amount. So if you peg your dollar to the price of an electricity, you will have a big, it'll be great. And Pantera Capital behind this, and I really like Pantera Capital. They gave me ICX 4 years ago, one of my bigger plays, and I've been really following Dan Moorhead of Pantera Capital for a long time. A lot of respect for him. He's someone I look up to. VeChain at an all-time high, guys. Shout out to all my VeChain people, baby. Thank you so much for coming on into the live stream. You guys rock, man. What an unbelievable live stream. We hit records today on the live stream. Records, man. Records. I like Marsh. I have some Marsh. I bought Marsh recently as well. Gonna go have to through all the coins that I've recently bought because it's absolutely absurd. I have to sit for like an hour and a half and literally go through every coin that I bought. But we bought on Marshall. Wow, finally making a move. I got into on Marshall around 7. Now we're up a little bit. I like this coin a lot. Low market cap. I like what's going on with on Marshall. All right. It's the reason why I got into on Marshall. Can we look at Dawn Protocol? We could. Follow me on Twitter. Check out the Patreon. Intense saver. Yeah, follow me on Twitter at CryptoLifer33. I really appreciate that. Follow me on Twitter at CryptoLifer33, guys. Let me show you the Twitter feed. And a lot of times when I'm making a call, I'll send it out to the Twitter feed as well. Right? Wow, residents in Los Angeles were awoken by a series of earthquakes, guys. Los Angeles was struck by a series of reported earthquakes on early Monday morning. The biggest was a 4.0 magnitude, according to the USGS. Ooh, there was no immediate reports of injuries or damage. Yikes, guys. Yikes. So let's be careful out there. Shout out to John McAfee, man. Always been a fan. I did an interview with him. He's been in a Spanish prison for 6 months. He's been dubbed Papa America by the other inmates since he's the oldest man in the prison by far. It's been a tedious ordeal, but John has remained in good spirits most days. They're trying to take him out, man. Look on Cover Protocol. We don't really like Cover Protocol too much. It wasn't insurance. We started trading it 6-7 months ago. It got a hack. It took a dump. It's just not my favorite thing, man. It could do some amazing things. It's just not my favorite thing. Let's look at Tencent. Sorry about that. Tencent. You asked Tencent numerous times. I like Tencent because you could get it on PancakeSwap for a while. They had a mining pool set up for it, so it was pretty interesting. 9,000 members on Twitter, on Telegram. I like to see that. Let's see what's going on with their website. What is Tencent? The bridge between crypto and the stock market. The hard cap of 500 ETH has been reached. Thank you for everyone who participated. Staking, deflationary, smart backing. Oh, yeah, we looked at this last night. The bridge between the stock market and cryptocurrency. Interesting. I believe this could be something amazing. I do. Tencent, aggressively deflationary token with a smart staking system. Roadmap, team, burnt. Gas price, 200 GWei is high right now. So, wow. On the Ethereum network, Tencent, you got to buy it and pay high gas fees. Is it on Bilaxy? No, only on Uniswap. $4 a coin. Up 47% today. A lot is moving. I wonder if VET could be $1 coin. VET's going to be $2 a coin. That's what we think. Please hit those like buttons, guys. Get us all the way to 150 likes. Be unbelievable. Thank you guys so much for coming on into the live stream. I really, really appreciate it, guys. Soon this dot off my nose will be gone. I promise. I promise. It bothers me as much as it bothers you. I'm telling you. To go on live every day with this it's been tough, but hey, it is what it is. I won't touch my nose late at night from now on. UB2XQ, man. Look on Cover Protocol. I'm not a huge fan. You're forcing me because you gave me a super chat, but I'm just not a huge fan of Cover Protocol. They kind of dropped it a little bit. You know, they were like $1,300 a coin. We were trading them. They dropped all the way down. They've really never recovered since then. So, yeah, I'll show you the 180-day chart. I mean, this thing has just been on a dump, right? We came all the way up here. Oh, they're not showing you? Yeah, look, we came all the way up here, $1,600 a coin. I mean, a lot of people are hurt up in this. And when it gets up here, they're going to be selling off because they got stuck. So, to me, it worries me. So, as great as the project it is, it got itself caught up in a bit of a TA mess. And I would stay away from Cover Protocol. That's my opinion. And someone could look at me and say, hey, that's a bad decision. $31 million market cap. It's got insurance. It's a great idea. I think it's cool. Let's check how many people followed on Telegram. 5,009 members. You know what I'm saying? Fell off a little bit. It's been around a long time. To only have that. There's coins that came out 3 days ago that have more Telegram people. And I'm not saying it's not a substantial Telegram group, but I just, aloe vera broski. Get it fresh from the plant. Well, I put on coconut oil on everything. Yeah. But I agree with you, man. It probably will heal me real fast. Thank you very much, DeFi Tev, for saying that. Hey, can you look at auction token? The token will be used on auctions for NFTs. Yeah. Just joined. Can't wait. Thank you so much for joining the Patreon, man. Much respect to everyone in the Patreon. Let me show you the Patreon real quick. Show you what it is all about. What you get if you do join the Patreon. The different levels, different tiers that we have. We have a $9 tier. That's really if you just want to throw a bone. You made a good trade on the live and you just want to add to it, Honestly, I really should get rid of it because everyone has more money than $9 if you've been on my live stream. I should have made you enough to not even do that. So I might actually end up getting rid of this just because I'm realizing it has minimal value, right? Then we have $25. That's just to join all my chat rooms, to join one chat room and to see all the calls, become a beginner, help out. We have a huge, awesome stuff. So, and then here, I'm going to edit this to say you get to join the rooms, and then here, $99 per month gives you everything, man. Gives you access to all my rooms, right? The beginner room, the Uniswap room, the Binance Smart Chain room. If you need people to help you in the beginner room, the charts and calls only. Then me, also in just a regular chat room, I'm throwing out trades there too for people that just are join the regular chat room because you can join the regular chat room just for free. That's a place where people come to meet me, get to know the ecosystem, get to know us, and then if they want to go forward, they can, right? So yes, $25 does give you the chat rooms. $99 gives you exclusive calls, everything that I'm actually doing, what I'm buying and selling. So you really want the $99. $25, $99 is going to make you money instantly. I'm going to start telling you exactly what I'm buying and selling. Like we just bought Climb right there. I might buy something later on tonight. Someone might drop me a line on a private stream, private message. A lot of people are contacting me all the time, giving me a lot of deep insight. So I give you that insight as well. I also share my tokenomics stuff with you guys here in 99. I give an update on the tokenomics that I pay for, stuff of that nature. Just, I treat you like gold. If you give me $99 a month, I treat you like gold. You give me $25 enough, I treat you very, very well as well. But I mean, my 99s, man, those are the people who are really keeping my lifeline going. So I'm going to give you everything I have all the time to keep your lifeline going as well. So it's a mutual benefit, a mutual relationship. Jump on in, join the group, join the movement, become a lifer. I'd really appreciate it. You will really love it. I will make sure that you get a lot out of it. Hot, another dollar coin. Hot, another dollar coin, boys. Yeah, can you take a look at Ramp, please? People really liking Ramp. Link to the Patreon. Thank you so much, Ramon. Appreciate that. The hot rocket taking off again, man. Again. Hot coin just never stops. Like, you could just like watch it daily, just continuing to go up over and over and over again. Like, wow, hitting that 3. Yeah. So now you go to a smaller time frame. I mean, the 1 hour is pointing to the upside. This is ready to rock. So what you have to do is you have to just keep putting it in these pennants, man. Wow, I'm like, this thing has gone up almost every day. Like, the pullbacks happen fast and then it's ready to go again. Hot coin, man. Not done yet. I see it going all the way up here to 3.5 cents. I mean, this thing is now actually a player in the game. I mean, this thing was like 0.00000. Like, it wasn't even. How much was this thing when I first started looking at? I bought this thing a year ago, guys, for $100. The $100 is now turned into over $3,000. Imagine turning $3,200 from $100. The lowest this thing was 0.00004. It was 0.004 of a penny, man. Yeah. So that's like 3,000% gains from where I bought it at in October of 2019. I can't believe that. I have 170,000 hot, dude. Very good for you, man. That's awesome. How about Moonstar token? Never heard of it. DSLA UBX really is a nice one. Cover protocol. Let's look at SRK and DSLA for that super chat. We like SparkPoint. I really like it on KuCoin. I think it's going to do some serious moves. Has a nice pullback right now after a big move up. So let's take a look at what we're seeing here for SparkPoint. Wow, just beautiful consolidation. Like, to me, that's beautiful consolidation. Really respecting the bottom trend line. Right? So, like, dude, you find bulls like this and you just let them rock. I mean, I like this. Came down, got sold off, broke that all-time high. Now it's at 1.5 pennies. This thing was all the way at, went as low as 0.7 of a penny at one point. So it's at, and did a nice 100x from where it's at. Nice 100% gain from where it's at. Measured move out of this pole is about there. It puts this one up here at about 3 8/10 of a cent. I like this coin a lot. I don't own it, and I'm kind of fiending for it, I'll be honest. Also, if you go to the website, it's pretty interesting. It's like teaching, right? It has something to do with teaching. So look at SRK real quick. I just want to put it on your radar. Looks like it could like teach you how to code. Like, really gets my memory sparked when I look at it. I'm like, wow, I want to do that. I remember looking at it, and I got super excited about it right when I looked at their website. Spark Point University is some blockchain developer bootcamp, optimal learning with experts and mentors. They've got a platform and, I don't know, revenue and deflationary model, project updates, coin payments, featured on Bitmart, Quora. Quora's pretty big too, which is interesting. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming on in. Much appreciated, much appreciated. XRP, baby, XRP, doing that thing. So I like SRK, guys, for sure. Let's look at DSLA as well. This is also on KuCoin. 2 sleepers on KuCoin. I could see them end up on Binance. You guys put this on my radar as well. DSLA came out March 30th for the USDT token. So just actually got a USDT pair. Added liquidity, guys. They added liquidity for a reason. Now it's at the bottom of the pattern in the rising wedge. Tried to break out, came back down. Interesting. Let's look at it on the 15-minute. Try to find some more what we're seeing here. I just think you want to accumulate good projects, guys, and let them run for the next 2-3 months. We're going to see April, May, and June, I think, is going to be an explosive. Then we'll see a little pullback, I believe, in June. And then late July and August and September is going to be another huge run. And then I think that's when things are going to taper down. And I believe it's going to be a good time to start laddering out of positions in, you know, halfway through the summer into August. And I could be wrong, but this is what I'm trying to gearing up for. What about ADA this month? OMG Network. We love OMG, man. OMG could do major things. So DSLA, I see breaking out of this too. I like to buy the bottoms of the patterns, guys. I like to buy the bottoms of the patterns. Why? I'll tell you why. Because if you buy inside the pattern, there's a chance you get hit out. Also, this could be possibly making a double bottom. I can see this break into the upside, hit support, and boom, booming on up. So DSLA, man, going all the way up here. I see to about 3 8/10 of a cent. I mean, that would be a beautiful move. About 100% gains. Almost, I think it's about 89, 91, 81% gains. So, do you think ETH will 10x by the end of 2021? I think it will. I do. At the very least, we're going to see a $10,000 ETH. At the very least. At the very, very least. ETH has been underperforming, though. ETH has been underperforming, in my opinion. There's been some minor back and forth lately. They're upset about those fees. They don't want to have to pay the fees. I mean, losing, you know, when ETH becomes, when the fees go lower, when the gas fees lower for ETH. And honestly, I went over their proposal for 1559, and I still saw, in my opinion, I could be wrong, I still saw how there could be high fees some days. Because it was about block rewards in each block, and I'll read it again. I went through 1559. I'm going to do a video about it to kind of further explain it to you guys. But yeah, I see ETH going all the way up here to $2,323, but I thought it would be $2,500 by St. Patrick's Day. So to me, ETH is underperforming, and I believe it has something to do with miners selling off because they don't want to, they're going to get less fees. When ETH gets less gas fees, the miners are going to make less money. The rewards are going to get cut. And when the rewards get cut, so right now they're selling as much ETH as possible. See what I'm saying? So there's minor greed that's really messing with ETH right now, in my opinion. And I could be wrong, but this is what I think is happening for ETH. So yeah, ETH is going to break out, do its thing. It's starting to break out. Finally. And I see ETH going all the way up here to $2,300. Just checked out UBXT. Wow, you guys are onto something. Backed by FTX already. Trading bots are blowing up. Let's take a look at UBXT. It's a smart way to put something in the radar, man. You guys are pretty interesting. I like that. That's a good like trick tactic. Upbots, UBXT. Let's take a look at what UBXT is. Another gem on the radar, guys. Write these things down. Okay, number 669, market cap 29. This is in the sweet spot. 400 to the 800 region, right in the middle, pretty close to the 650 spot. It is on Ethereum mainnet. I get a little upset when I see that. I have to pay fees. 30 days is up 300% gains. Starting to make moves. Came out in 11. You can get it on an FTX. So that actually will save you. You can get it on KuCoin as well. Ooh, Sushi Swap. All right. There's some places to get this. The Serum Dex too. Serum Labs. Interesting. Might want to check out the Serum Dex. I never really looked at that before. So you can get this on a few places for about 8 7/10 of a penny. I like this, man. I think you're right. Upbots. Let's take a look at the website. UBTX. Or UBXT, right? Did I say that wrong? UBXT? Yeah, UBXT. My photographic memory was like, no, you said that wrong. DSLA pretty early on. The next one will be UBXT. Sup, dude? Love the channel. Thank you for the NY rap list, bro. That's dope. Much respect to you, bro. Thank you for coming on into the live stream. Shout out to everyone here, man. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. That is your time. That is your time. UBX is a gem, man. Hey, a lot of you guys are real. All-in-one trading system for the modern trader. Trade crypto, DeFi, Forex, commodities manually with bots or on a brand new trading platform built for the ground up on the blockchain by traders. Try the demo pitch deck. Interesting. Official partners with FTX, Upbots. Trade manually with trading bots or rent your algorithms to others. Upbots is for traders of all levels. Trade directly with the VIA trading terminal or by creating your own bots. Follow the algorithms developed by traders or follow the traders of a master trader. Create your own algorithms and rent them to community in exchange for performance fees. Take trading courses and learn how to become a master today. Try it now. Platform features. Demo dashboard. Log into your account. Don't have an account. Interesting. Do you need to do a VPN and all that? Anyone know about that? Do we have to be careful? What's going on? Upbots. UBXT. I think you're right, guys. I like this. I like this. Very, very, very interesting. Let's look at the Telegram. 5,000 members moving in the Telegram. Okay. Could have more, could have less, but doing it. Doing it. Okay, guys. We're going to wind down the stream, man. Hit about 11:45. It's a 2-hour stream. That's about the time we go. Now I get into the news. I'm off the tickers for a second. Unless you send a super chat in, we're going to make a move on. Can you connect Sexes and a DEX wallet ERC20? I got some auction. Can you look at it? Let's take a look at auction. Oh, my bucks. Auction. Let's take a look at auction. Bounce. 15%, $94 million market cap. Bounce.finance. In the sweet spot, 497. I do like what we're seeing here. 30 days, only at 52%. So this thing has room to grow. All-time low was 17, back up to 45. CTXC times 10x. Huai Quat Dwai. Quat. When I think of Quat, I think of like, is that Thailand? Like the bot? I don't know. I could be wrong. All right, calm it down. My moderator is going to hit you in a second, so calm it down. Okay, Bounce Finance. Decentralized auction protocol provides a competition swap environment to unlock the potential of open finance, competitive swaps, initial 2 offering, OCT trading, and NFT auctions. Okay. Bot staked. I don't like their... I mean, I get their site's cool. Could have put a little more effort into the look, in my opinion. I'm not like a huge fan of their design team, honestly. Bounce.finance. Now, is this on the Ethereum mainnet? I didn't look. Let me go look back to that. It is on the Ethereum mainnet. Kind of already... you know. But we'll see what's going on. We got that Climb, man. We like Climb. Climb looks like an amazing project, so... I know, fam. Chat is moving fast today. Just in case, I was wondering about my super chat question about tea cake. Thank you again, Sam. Congrats on 133 likes. See, I don't remember. I might not even see the super chat. So, damn. Let me go all the way back to the beginning. Chris Conlon. Were you in there? No, I didn't even see. Yeah, XRP, baby. There he is. For the $2 super chat. Thank you, Chris. Much appreciated, man. I missed some super chat somehow. I don't know how. Just doing deep dives, man. Doing deep dives. Talking to people, going through all the lists, man. Mamba for life, dude. Much appreciated. I like auction, dude. You're putting auction on everybody's radar, and thank you for doing that. It's looking pretty good. Hey, greetings from Turkey. Greetings from America, man. Thank you for jumping on into the live. Upbot says Pancake Swap on the website, but I don't think it's on there yet. I don't think it is either. Check out Q as well. $1.5 million market cap. Lots of marketing. Pretty new. You could put a small amount into it. Q, C-U-E. Q Protocol. Tiny market cap. Oh my God. Tiny market cap. Q IPO. It's on Binance Smart Chain too. Interesting. Interesting. The Q Hub is live, a community-driven protocol with deflationary mechanics. 2.5% areas collected by the governance wallet. Token holders can vote on the usage of the governance wallet, such as the burn or to spend on marketing development. dApps will also utilize the Q token. The first 2 dApps have been announced, which include our voting dApp, which is live in the Q Hub. Welcome. The utility, the Q protocol, governance, let it burn, deflation, dApps. Okay, due diligence platform. I mean, doesn't seem that unique. Kind of like a SafeMoon kind of thing a little bit. I'm not sure, but I like what's going on. I mean, it has a very small market cap. So if you get to 10 million, it looks like you could 10x pretty fast in this. It's weird how it's so expensive. Does it have a small? Yeah, circulating supply is very small. Very, very small. I wouldn't mind buying like 5 of these, 10 of these. I like this. Number one, why do I like it? Very small circulating supply. Very small market cap. Only thing is when you have a really small circulating supply, it takes a long time for the market cap to grow. This is something I really want to push on you guys. Look at YFDI. Thank you for giving us Q Protocol though. Q Protocol. I'm gonna have to sit through, me and my wife, we go through all these. We're gonna have to write them all down and see what's going on. YDYM manual trading. Yeah, read a little more. Upbot say Pancake Swap on the website, but I don't think it's on there yet. But see, look at this. This has 4,000 circulating supply, only 21,000. That's why I bought this coin, because I was like, you know what? I'm going to be one of the few people that actually own it. Now, the market cap just 4 months ago was 10 million. So just to double, it's taking a long time for this market cap to grow. Can this 1,000x? Can this 100x? You never know. I really like YFDI Finance. It has Safe Swap. It has a lot going for it. And it also pays you to hold 72% a year, which isn't amazing, but it's pretty good. I would advise scrolling down on Q's website a little bit. Read their latest marketing update. That thing is going to be quite big. The hub early roadmap, Q1 voting, Q1 burns, burning economics, pre-sale. 8,000 pre-sale tokens were available for pre-sale. 10,000 total supply. Are you just another deflationary token? That is a question which comes up, and yes, we are deflationary, but most projects don't build on top of their protocol. Their protocol consists of just a transaction fee and only works if the token is traded. We are building on top of the protocol, which will make it a super deflationary through our dApps, which will use the Q token. Clients will need to buy and hold Q. These dApp service fees will be split into governance funds for the community and decide their fate in community funds. We are also giving the full governance wallet to our community to decide the fate, not just 50%, 100% of it will be used in the user's hands. What is your target market? Our message is that we believe they have products in development which will benefit the industry and have benefit future investors, creating more security and a peace of mind. Interesting. YFDI is remaking their website within 1 to 2 weeks and are starting marketing. They got to put more into it. Yeah, they do. Otherwise, scrolling down on Q's website, I did scroll down. I'm still not a huge fan. My daughter is going to get reprimanded for arguing with my wife during my live stream. I heard it in the background. I'm going to have to go upstairs and be a dad in a second. Lay down the law. Anyway, my question was, you had mentioned you might look at T-Cake Tools. Now that it went from 15 back to 7 cents since launch, April Fools, do you think it could get a long-term as Cake? I thought we talked about Cake Tools, though. Yeah, we went over Pancake Tools earlier in the show. We definitely talked about it. I talked about when I bought it, where I like it. I went over the chart. We went over Pancake Tools already today. This will be the second time. Anyway, yeah, because I remember looking at when it said it 2, it already did a 9x. I could find it in the live, but anyway. Yeah, so Pancake Tools, man. See, the thing is, you guys double question a lot of stuff. I buy things and I leave it alone. Like, I like Pancake Tools. It's got the Cake name in it. I saw what happened to Cake. This is a beautiful website. I mean, and again, I'm going to be doing a deep dive on this later on, and I don't want to ruin it. So I'm holding it for later today. And that's why I'm not going to talk about it right now, because I have a video out on it, and I don't want to give you guys all the gems. That I want you to go and watch the video. Okay? So wait for later today. I'm going to be doing it. And that's another reason. That's what I said. That's probably another reason why I did not fully go over it, because I have a whole video on it where I want to really do a deep dive and explain what I like about it, what's going on with it, why I'm holding it, and where I think it could go. So that video will be out later on today, and that's going to really, really be what you guys want. This is a big deal for Cake. I see the bottom for Cake now 17, and I don't see Cake getting below 17 ever again. I'm not saying ever again, but like, you know, in this bull run, look, cup and handle for Cake. It did beautiful consolidation, starting to make higher lows. It's in a new trend to the upside as well. If we go to the daily, on Cake, do we see some bullish divergence? We do. A little bit of hit 'em. Not really. Not really. I'll get rid of all my stuff. I know it's a lot to look at. But look, I teach you guys about the double bottom. That's a double bottom. Double bottom breaks to the upside. What is the measured move of a double bottom? You take the middle of the W, you bring it to the end of this line, then you swing it here to the middle of the W, and look, that gives you your measured move, and that's exactly where Cake went. Always sell the measured moves at the double bottom, then you can get back in on the handle, and now it broke out of the handle, and you can just clearly see what's going down for Cake, right? This is interesting too, the MACD doing a little bit of this tip up here. That tells me there's some momentum heading up to the upside. I love Cake, man. XRP touching 80 cents, guys. XRP might go to $1 today. I mean, who knows? It's a long time coming. They've been suppressing the price with that SEC garbage, right? I can see everyone is fed up with it. I'll donate $50 through the crypto donations if you sign up for Upbots and look at what's there and what's coming. I love it. Want more people to get in. I'll donate $50 through the crypto donations if you sign up for Upbots and look at what's there and what's coming. Okay, I'll sign up right now. I'll sign up right now without even thinking about it. UBXT. There's no flies on my back. I got a family, man. I like Bitcoin hash rate. I believe the hash rate will go up a lot, but it just tanked really hard. We'll take a look at Bitcoin hash rate in a second. Okay, I'm going to sign up right now, guys. I don't want everyone to see my information, but I am signing up. So, UBXT. Okay, look, it says I'm welcome to Upbots, man. I did it. I did what you asked. I did it. Okay. I didn't realize how to connect my wallet, so I'm in the wrong place. I have different browsers for different things. Okay, I did it, man. I did it. Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. See, I lost people doing that to you. You lost me like 10 people. So anyway, you look at S at Tap, bro. We're doing kind of nice with Safe Moon. Good call, Lifer. We're doing really good with Safe Moon. Are you kidding me? We are doing amazing. We're doing great, guys. We're doing great. We're doing great. Oh, this thing is on the Ethereum mainnet, isn't it? Yeah. Not my favorite thing. Don't like the Ether mainnet. Don't like it too much. Star Tour, we're still spinning here, man. We're still spinning here. Okay, here we go. I'll verify my email. Welcome to Upbots. Staking, swapping, copy trading, signal. I like what we're seeing here for sure. All right, I like what we're seeing here for sure. So there, man, I did it. You show me where you're going to send that 50 bucks. Donated 50 Litecoin. Much respect, man. Much respect, dude. Thank you. Cake just burned another 83 million worth of cake. Let's talk about cake burning cake, guys. And I want to talk about why that's very, very helpful. So you want to go to PancakeSwap. Yes. And they usually announce their burn, so I'd love to see the burn. Look, 300,000 followers. I mean, that's a serious move, right? So look at this. Massive cake burn. 4.7 million cake. Over 3% of the current supply, worth 83 million. That brings the total cake burn to over 100 million. The next emission reduction vote will occur this month. Dude, that's serious, dude. 38 minutes ago, cake burned a massive amount of cake. Why do you think cake is pumping today? That's always going to pump cake, man. Every time they burn a lot of cake, they're raising the value of your tokens, right? So I send this to the billboard, and that's going to be something that I post so people can understand. So we're always posting this type of stuff. Cake burn. Keeping you guys up to date. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Sexes and Dexes, wallets, BSC, ERC20, they're all going to burn 50% of the supply. Interesting. So like everything that's connected to it is going to burn it. So it's going to get burned 100 different ways. I get what you're saying. So it's almost like in pot, you just want to have it. Like you just want to have it. Quite interesting, man. Shout out to the 3 dislikes, man. What a great group of people that did that, huh? Anyway. Thank you guys so much for everyone coming into the live stream. Really, really appreciate it, guys. You guys are amazing. It's funny, though. We had less watchers last night, and the super chats blew out this group. So the Sunday night super chatters, yo, you guys are like, it was Easter Sunday, so I got a lot of love. But if you saw that live stream last night, we had a blast on the live stream. Absolute blast. So Bitcoin finally breaking 59,000. To me, I feel like look what we're seeing now, guys. I'm going to show it to you. It's so beautiful. And so now I got a trade on for Bitcoin for you guys. It's a clear inverted head and shoulder now forming, okay? I'm going to show it to you. We have a head here. We have a right shoulder, a left shoulder. We have a head. And we're forming the left shoulder right here. And to me, that was it. And it can start breaking on out. Now we get the measured move of the shoulder. And that's why it's all about the TA, man. Once I see the TA, I play it. If I can't see it, if it's suggestive at the moment, I wait for it to play out a little bit more. And that gives Bitcoin at an all-time high, right? At $70,000. Just the breakout of the inverted head and shoulders puts it at 69,999. So look for us to get rejected by 70K. But it looks like we're on our way to 70K based on this inverted head and shoulder idea right off the bat. So how would you get in? How would you play this? Well, the 4 hours in our favor, and it looks really, really nice for a futures trade. We go to the 30-minute. 30-minute wants to curve to the downside. I'd wait for the 30-minute to come down here, and I would enter the trade. Maybe at 58.7, 58.9 one last time. It'll make that little dip, scare people out. And then it's going to blast on out past 60K. Once it breaks 60K, it start to build that move. And for the next few days. Last night was a blast on the live stream. It really was, man. What time in the afternoon are you on? I'm not on in the afternoon ever. I do Monday through Friday. I do 9:30 to 11:30 Eastern time. Okay, Eastern time. And Saturdays we do like 11:30. Sometimes I'll limp. Saturdays are laid back around 11:30. Your streams have been improving each time. Keep doing your thing. This channel will blow up. Thank you so much, Kevin. I really appreciate that, man. Really, really appreciate it. I'm trying to stay focused at all times, you know? Trying to stay focused at all times. So just going to round trip you back to Bitcoin as we end the stream, okay? Then we get into the news, and I like to see the news and what's going on because you guys just watch so much CA and so much information, but now you're going to get the news that you missed, right? Because a lot of news came in, okay? Editorial, MicroStrategy stock price up 390% since the Bitcoin purchase, see? And anyone who's hating on it is a fool. That's a simple thing. He's buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up. I'm going to buy it. Can we please do a quick look on DIA? Thank you so much for the cup of coffee, Oi Rodney. Much appreciated. You guys got me over the $100. $100 a stream. We're really trying to get there because two hour streams. Try to get the $50 an hour, right? That was my old pay rate, and I don't do it all day either. MicroStrategy buying more, bro. Unbelievable. Crypto market sentiment jumps back into positive zone. Litecoin takes the top. Spanish government seeking public comment for Bitcoin regulations. Wow. They're going to convert the GBT into an ETF, man. Grayscale confirms its intention to convert GBTC into an ETF. The race for seeking approval from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission is on, and no one wants to be left behind. While recently Fidelity filed for approval from the SEC for a Bitcoin ETF, Grayscale has now confirmed its intentions to convert its Bitcoin trust into an ETF. Are you staking cake on a pool on PancakeSwap? Man. When people ask me what I'm doing with my cake, I just laugh, man, because I'm just like, wow. My plan is to become famous on YouTube with cake, man. Like, to become the cake boss, the cake man. 100% APR. You're funny, dude. I'll show you where I'm staking cake. You want to see where I'm staking cake? Asking the cake man. Number one, go to my videos and learn more about cake. All right, there's so many videos here, guys. If you just found out my channel, you got so much to learn. Go back to my big cake video. Hit 20,000 views. Kind of put me on the map. Help this channel really get where it is. 22,000 views right now. Why? PancakeSwap in crypto will make you millions. How I got a 30x and make passive income. Like, and I did 30x my money on cake. I got into cake at 60 cents. Right? 17.55 right now. Divided by 60 cents. I did a 29x with my cake. I'm not going to tell you exactly what I put in, but you can only imagine where I'm at right now with cake. And now cake makes me passive income every single day, consistently. You said 100% APY. Guys, there's a few places where you can stake cake better than that. There's more than one, actually. The best one that I like the most, the safest, most secure, is Pancake Bunny. Why do I like Pancake Bunny? Because I like the bunny rewards that I get off my cake. All right? It's a big deal. So you want to go to pancakebunny.finance. I know you're on cake and you want to do the cake thing, but this was made for cake. Look, I'm making 340% auto compounding, and that means it's consistently coming in, and it's earning me cake and bunny. Okay? Earning me cake and bunny. Not trying to flaunt it, trying to get it out there quick, but you can only imagine. Now the bunny comes out there. I take the bunny out of this pool, and then I add it to this pool. I didn't pay for any of this bunny. There's 8,600 bunny. I didn't pay $1 for it. Bunny back to 279 and continuing to make a look. Can you look at the DAV network? We could look at the DAV network. I want to try to wrap the stream up, but I'll take a look at the DAV network for you. Have no idea what it is. We got some news piled up, though, that I want to start going through. So we got some news we got to go through. The DAV network, though. We'll take a look at the DAV network for you. Sitting at 0.001 tenth of a penny. Wow, market cap just hit $1 million. Thank you for bringing this on my radar. Now I'm happy. Rank is the 1700. This thing's very high, but wow. This could be a deep dive gem. So a 1000x gem, very possible for this. Because if it goes to 100 million market cap, right, that's 100x. Right? It's only sitting at $1 million. It's also not even a penny yet. It's 1/10 of a penny. I like this, man, because this has huge potential to go to the upside. Where can you buy it? Ledger? You could buy it. You could put it on a Ledger wallet, but where can you buy this thing? Okay, it is on Uniswap probably, right? Yeah, it's on Uniswap. It's on Bilaxy, Hit BTC. Bilaxy has a lot of coins on the low, man. A lot of coins on the low. This looks very interesting. Yeah, but look at that. 14,000 in volume. You got to be careful, man. You may not even be able to get in and out of this coin. So that's just circulating supply, 1.3 billion. Right now, it's already got 600. I'd be a little weary that this couldn't get where it needs to go, right? Let's look at the Telegram. It's above. If it's below 1,000 people, it's already got 3,800 people in the Telegram. Let's take a look at what these devs are saying. Let's take a look at the pinned messages. It should be no surprise that the DAV Foundation, like many blockchain projects, has been swimming upstream since the middle of last year. There were a number of factors that contributed to this, but the one that weighed the heaviest was the crypto winter and the tepid subsequent recovery. The negative impact on the foundation's treasury by the crypto crash cannot be overstated. It's been a while since our last video, so I wanted to give you a short update. Blah, blah, blah. There's nobody in here. Deleted account, new mobility struggle. Yes, and that's good. Despite many of advances in new mobility. What are they? Can't get a lot of info on them. I mean, you could put 50 bucks on this and just hope one day it turns into 10 grand. I mean, that's kind of the idea, right? 10x, 100x to 50 bucks. 10x is 500. So you turn 50 bucks into $5,000 or 500. That's something I would do. Even if I was worth millions of dollars, I wouldn't put no less than like 500 bucks in this coin. You know what I'm saying? Because until I see it get more substantial, then maybe I begin to add to it as it begins to grow. And I'm not saying this won't blow up. And I like that idea that you're throwing it on our radar right now. A blockchain-based transportation protocol enabling decentralized peer-to-peer global transportation network. Okay, this sets it up. It's kind of a little bit, rapper DMX continue to be on life support in vegetative state. Please give a moment of silence for DMX, man. He made me who I am. Half of me right now, like a lot of the energy you're seeing, man. I mean, I may have been it as well, but I did grow up listening to DMX on my way to school every single morning. It's Dark When Hell Was Hot. You know what I'm saying? I got both albums. He was one of the first albums I ever bought, was the DMX album. I get the chills thinking about him. He was a good dude. He had his issues. He had his demons, but I think he was a good dude at heart. I think he did a lot for his people. He had a lot of children, too. He had like 22 kids, so damn, man. And he could still go out and make money, so it's sad that he's hurt right now and he's down and out. I don't like seeing other people, especially people that help me kind of get my mind straight, get myself going. And it's sad that he went down that path of using substance. Please, guys, if you're having a substance abuse problem, please reach out. Find a program, find a mentor, do something. Check into a rehab, whatever you have to do. And I don't want to make this about that, but oh wow, just seen that 300. Yeah, you want to get there, man. What's better to steak, cake, bunny, or beefy? I like steak and cake. I like steak and bunny. I like steak them all, baby. I like steak them all. What do you think about Fair Moon? What's the bunny pool says? 108%. Could you take a look at Dav Network? I love VeChain. Yes, I keep a lot of VeChain on the low. 133 people watching, 143 likes. Guys, one of the greatest streams that this channel ever had was today. We just hit a milestone, man. A milestone. So thank you guys so much for doing that. Let's get back into the news. Pancake tools, man. Unbelievable. I knew we had news waiting for us. Okay. Spanish government seeking public comment for Bitcoin regulation. CNMV, Comisión Nacional de Mercado de Valores. The National Securities Market Commission, the Spanish government agency responsible for supervising securities markets, is seeking public input about regulating Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. According to the April 5th report by the local media outlet La Información, the regulatory body wants to hear from industry participants, consumers, as well as investors via email. In recent months, there's been a growing number of questions about the possibility of Bitcoin ETF in the U.S., and we'd like to take an opportunity to provide clarity and context on what such a development would mean at Grayscale and Grayscale Trust. So they're going to open up an ETF. I mean, and they have the weight to do it. They've been doing the right thing already throughout the market. So yeah, crypto market sentiment jumps back into the positive zone. Litecoin takes the top. And I'm telling you, I could definitely see Litecoin at $1,000 a coin. MicroStrategy buys an additional 253 Bitcoins for $15 million. One of the most vocal Bitcoin supporters in the ecosystem, CEO Michael Saylor, today announced that his company, MicroStrategy, purchased more Bitcoin again. The publicly traded software company acquired an additional 253 Bitcoins for a cool $15 million in cash at an average price of $59,000. He knows, he always buys right when it's about to boom up. He's trying to show you that he's a smart bot. He's like a lot of his buys, man, like he bought at 39 and then went all the way to 60K. Like, so as of April 5th, MicroStrategy has approximately 91,579 Bitcoin, which non-crypto company bought for $228 billion at the average price of $24,311 per coin. Thank you so much for the Norway. Shout out to Adrian Helgensen. Much respect, man. Much respect. Thank you so much for that. I just swapped over from syrup to bunny. Thanks, dude. Anytime, man. Anytime. I'll help you out. You will make more money listening to me. I'm telling you, I'm trying to help you in many ways. When it comes to farming, when it comes to doing deep dives and low cap gems, we are there for you guys all the time. Here's why there's about zero chance of Bitcoin being replaced. It's not getting replaced, man. I'm telling you right now. No coin's going to become Bitcoin. I don't care what people tell you. I don't care what the nonsense you hear. Trust the lifer, man. Trust the lifer. $1 trillion market cap. $1 trillion market cap. No other, Michael Saylor breaks it down. Other companies that got to $1 trillion market cap, their growth went down to like 1% a year, 2% a year. Bitcoin went up 200%. Okay, on its year into the $1 trillion market cap. That's never been done by any asset in the human race. Bitcoin is one of the greatest accomplishments of the entire human race. Okay? Of the entire human race. Bitcoin would be the most successful thing you've ever seen in your life. There's no other $1 trillion network. See, they're talking about what I'm talking about here. Saylor's opinion, macroeconomic factors such as inflation are driving the Bitcoin network to grow faster. This could also mean the main reason why institutions are gradually adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Such developments often make a strong case for the crypto superiority in fintech markets, but the existence of networks vying for Bitcoin's spot as the largest crypto asset can't be ignored. Almost every Bitcoin has argued how Bitcoin has performed better than tech stocks. Reiterating the same, MicroStrategy CEO said the crypto asset has grown roughly 200% a year, at least before the pandemic, with a 700% hike in price within the last 12 months. It appears to have outpaced tech firms such as Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft, which took 40 years time to have $1 trillion network, while Bitcoin only took 12 years. You get it? You get it? You see what Bitcoin's doing here? You see what's going on with Bitcoin, guys? You get what's happening? Are you still blind? Bitcoin would be the most successful thing you've ever seen in your life. There's no other $1 trillion network. And it only took 10 years. It only took 10 years, guys. So what are your thoughts on Happy? You know, people keep bringing up Happy. It's funny. I heard about it twice last night while I was doing my live stream. I was waiting. I do a little research into other live streams, see what they're talking about so I can bring some relevant information. Happy, $170. Can't even find out the circulating supply. 2.2 million. What is Happy.1? I'm Happy. One-chain cybersecurity protocol with trustless oracles preventing hacker attacks. Dude, I like this right now. Oof. Happy token. Sex is protected from accepting stolen funds. DEX is cut back on suspicious addresses. Crypto traders warn on high-risk coins. I'm Happy. I'm designed for the community to fight hackers. Join the Telegram group. You'll be happy. Dude, what a smart idea. What a smart idea. 17,000 people. Yo, Happy making a video about this. Why I'm so happy. And I'm going to be like, guys, thank you for putting that on my radar, man. You just freaking sold me. See, sometimes it's not that hard to figure out what coin's going to blow. Starbucks customers can now pay with Bitcoin via Bakkt's digital wallet app. Buy your coffee at Starbucks with Bitcoin. Customers at Starbucks can now pay for items with Bitcoin with Bakkt digital wallet. Michael Gavin, the Starbucks CEO, said that about 500,000 people took part in the invite-only trial before it was launched. All that is necessary is to download the app from the Google Play Store and pay for your coffees with Bitcoin. Gavin said that his company would expand its crypto offering to ensure it. I'm going to go to a Starbucks today, and I'm going to buy a coin live. I'm going to go with my daughter. She's going to film it. We're going to go live, and we're going to buy a Starbucks cup of coffee, even though I'm not into buying Starbucks coffee. I think it's ridiculous. I don't even drink coffee. I'll probably buy a tea. I won't buy an actual coffee. I'll buy a tea because I don't drink coffee, and I don't deal with caffeine. You can see I have my own energy right now. I do not need caffeine. I do not need anything to boost me that high. All right, guys, we're going to wind the show down. Thank you guys so much for being here. 12:15, we ran the gambit. We had a wonderful time. At the end of every show, I say crypto is life. So we're going to run the gambit. We're going to end the show. Thank you guys so much for all the super chats. Thank you so much for all the comments. What an amazing community we're building. I really appreciate it. Again, if you're new to the channel, look at the links below. Okay? Let me show you the live stream where we're at right now. Bam. Check the links below. And you can see 146 people hit this like button, man. Unbelievable. The people have spoken. The people have spoken. They love this. They love this. Ocean update, please, before the end of the stream. Wow, you guys. I love you guys. You know what? I'm blessed that you want to know what I have to say. I'm so blessed. I am so blessed you want to know what I have to say. Okay, Ocean's in the buy zone. I talked about it yesterday. I gave you the call. 70% gains up to profit, and then I would hold it. I've been in Ocean since 33 cents, and I would not get rid of it. Beautiful protocol. A lot of big moves coming for it. It's going to get itself positioned very well in the DeFi space. Ocean going to do great things. I like sand, ocean, and waves as a sailor. It is what it is. How could I not have a coin called Ocean if I was such a sailor? So, bit of a cup and handle for Ocean too as well. See this cup? Side handle. So Ocean's going to do some serious damage and break to the upside. I see an even bigger target coming out of Ocean, but there is your place to get in right now. You got limited time. Ocean's about to do some things. Its high previously was 160, came back and consolidated 155. I believe if it comes back down to the pattern at 145, if you're that lucky. I don't know if you'll be that lucky, but there's my buy zone. It started at 143. It kind of ended at 151. It really just breaking out of my buy zone. If we creep back in, I would get into Ocean. So there's my call for Ocean, hooking you up. I didn't leave you hanging, and I still got you where you needed to be. So thank you guys so much for watching, and that's what we get. That's what we do here. 33K correction. You are out of your mind. You are out of your mind. You are out of your mind. Crypto man with a 30. This guy is out of his mind. Wait for 33K, and I'll see you in 100 years, man. I'll see you in hand. Shout out to Red Dog, man. Shout out to everyone here. Red Dog, thank you so much for the $100 super chat last night. I still remember it, man. You made my entire night. You made my wife extremely happy with that one. You know how the women love that. So thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it, guys. At the end of every stream, we say crypto is life, and that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life, and I'm going to sign on out until you see me tomorrow morning at 9:30, and we'll be back for more. You can join my links in the different chats right now. You could book an appointment for scheduling right now. If you want to get a one-on-one with me, where I'll give you proper risk management. I'll show you how to trade, how to chart, all the different things that I can give you to be the best you can be. Help you scale in on the 4-hour and the daily. Help you see why you need to position yourselves. Help you ladder in. I'll look at your portfolio and just do consulting. Some people, I just sit with their portfolio. We go over all their coins. We say where they got in. We talk about it. We try to balance it out. We see if they're in a loss. We try to just give them a good mental state of where they're at so they can move forward in crypto without feeling so crazy. You know, it's all, some people just want a mentor. They want someone there to help guide them. I'm that guy for you in many, many ways. So guys, I can also just do beginner stuff. I also just sit with you and I'll build a chart for you. Some people are more advanced. They said, I'm going to learn more until I get a chart with you. No, I have beginner courses. Like, I will sit and just show you how to use Binance. I will take you through the very, very beginning. So, guys, we're going to say crypto is life. It's sad that no one hung out for the very end. We're going to say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. So here we go. And that's the end of every stream, and then we're out. So ready, here it comes. A 1, a 2, and a 3. Crypto is life. There's nothing else, guys. I love you. I'll see you on the next stream. Have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for making my dreams come true. I will do the same for you. Peace.